Schwab cash account. Normally, you can only use your cash available for withdrawal, but in this instance, you can both.
I want to trim out some FFIE here.
To see no one said they halted the song.
Yeah, crypto might be the way to go.
Maybe. It's only up.
Everyone's talking.
Microsoft just hit my target to 425.
What is up, my family? Good morning to everybody, or good afternoon, wherever you may be in the world, right? We are back. Sorry, you guys were hearing a little bit of an echo on the YouTube side for that song, right? And also everyone else speaking through it. I didn't disable that function. Fuck, man. But we're here, we're live, and we're doing it again. You guys, if you remember speaking about it last night, if you remember speaking about it with me last night, right, man? This was actually Lux. He said, hey, man, Arca ended up calling this just yesterday. That's right, you guys. We talked about the potentials of pulling back 50% the daily candle, right? The prior day. So yesterday, that's, that's pretty much what we ended up doing. It's okay, guys. These types of things happen, the news that came out for the 75,000 shares or whatever the shit that is, guys, they're raising money. I mean, they gotta make sure that their company's profitable in some way. If it wasn't profitable in other measures, then they gotta take advantage of this shit. And you can see that the price action is not really kind of disagreeing with it, right? So the overall sentiment still appears to be bullish, nonetheless, right? Of course, it can be looked at as a little bit, I would say, as shady, but at the end of the day, what would you do if this was your company, right? You gotta make sure that it lives. You gotta make sure that it thrives, right? And make sure to hit that fucking like button and subscribe to make this thing to live long, thrive, and survive, right? I absolutely love it. Everybody, thank you so much for coming on by. We're gonna go ahead and get these charts started to see what's up, right? I know that I put the levels in just yesterday, and we're gonna go over a bunch of other levels as well, right? So, guys, if you hear me a little bit out of breath, that's because I actually felt super ill last night. I got shorted, bro, like bad, right? For the first time, I felt ill. It's been like a year, I think, for the first time in a year at least, right? I had a huge stomach ache, right? I had to meet face the porcelain real quick. So I did my damn thing and had some Pedialyte, had some Gatorade. As soon as I started drinking that shit, it was okay. Started feeling good after that, right? But I gotta say, I'm not like completely back. Like I said, man, I'm still feeling a little bit out of breath, but we're good. We're here. Fuck them, right? They're not. And we're going to get our damn thing in, right? So let's go ahead and just get away from this here. And of course, team, we're going to be waiting for the Roaring Kitty stream as well. I am sure that thing is popping the hell off right now. I actually haven't seen how many people are currently waiting or on queue, right? So let's just pop it open, right? Let's take a look. Where are we at? Roaring Kitty. And the cool thing is that if you are with the Arca Bulls team, then you'll at least be able to see, you'll at least be able to catch the levels just like we usually do, right? And also, you'll also be able to kind of catch the way we're doing it in private too, right, you guys? So here's the live stream. Let me take a look at how many people. Guys, there are 40,332 people waiting right now for the Roaring Kitty live stream. If you haven't actually seen that, oh my goodness! I mean, talk about Momo here, you guys. This is price action is going to wiggle around in here, guys. Remember, 37 to 39 are the usual levels for this type of pullback. I will say that if you get a full retracement, that would be around your $33.99 level or $34, right? If it retraces the I would say 90% the prior candle, the prior day's candle. Guys, let me give you a little bit of perspective here. We're just going to go ahead and just take a look at what, oh my goodness, come on, bro. Here we go. I'm going to show you this from this side of the screen. Here you go. Check that out. Absolutely nuts what's going on inside of the Roaring Kitty stream, right? This thing is just going berserko right now, guys. This is insane. And yeah, we're 40,000 people right now. This is creating a freaking frenzy. All right, so if you're gonna go over there and try to talk or say something, I don't think you're gonna be read by anybody, man. I think I said something on this when it had around 15,000 people rolling around, and I will say that somebody, like 2 or 3 people from the team here, ended up saying, "Arca, what's up?" Like, and it was already moving kind of fast, right? So yeah, just watch yourselves out there, man. I know that the Momo's real here too. I know that you want to get in the price. Just make sure to scale in like very incremental ways, right? I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor, not a CPA, CFA, nothing like that at all. So I want you to take whatever I do say with a gigantic grain of salt and do you, okay, guys? Because everybody's in there saying tanking. Like, this is not a tank, you guys. This is a fucking daily retrace, right? This is usually what fucking happens. But you know that type of sentiment will be expressed here. Now, the way that we were able to kind of understand what that pullback could be is this box here, right? This box is a very simple tool, right? This one right here, right down here for Trading View. All you do really is take the top end of that daily candle that we completed yesterday and bring that box all the way down like this, right, to the prior day low, just like that. So in other words, I'm measuring this candle high to the candle low. And the way that I figured that out was just to use the prior candles in here, this area here, to determine where price action could kind of round off in. And now if you create a box over where we're presently sitting, to the bottom side or the opening of the candle, you're going to notice that we're right at the 50%, right? So this is it's a normal pullback. It usually is like that on every candle, guys. And that's why I was saying that, damn, even if we gap up, like even if we gapped up opening at around $60-something, that could still that would bring in a deeper retrace, right? But still, we got it, and we're able to kind of see that price action happen live right before your eyes, right? Lux, thank you for calling out that, buddy. Really appreciate you listening to that. And Stupid Bitcoin, good to see you in there. Harry, what is up? Captain June, good to see you in the chat. Sam, what's up? What's up? RJS, I see you in there too. Otis Woody, good to see you. John, what is up, buddy? Kevin, RN3037, guys, yeah, we're filling up in the chat already in the other side. So it's halted up again right now. Guys, was it halted up or halted down? That looks like this looks like the previous level where we were halting up. Okay, so this side, thank you guys, thank you. Cryptic and Snow Daddy, thank you so much. And Stupid Bitcoin, this was actually a halt down. And if we start to observe, let me just go ahead and pull up some data here. I'm going to see if it can benefit you guys too. I'm just gonna hide my account number on my direct access order router, and I'll put live here the level 2 from direct access, and you'll be able to see this thing roll live the way that it's actually moving, right? So let me just get that moving here. I'm gonna put my trading tab up just a moment here, and I'll bring up the level 2 so that you can see how we're able to identify whether it's going to gap up or down. And I think it actually benefits retail to understand these types of things, right? I was trained by my mentor to look at tape, right? That's the OG way, right? He's an OG trader, 30-year vet in the market. So he kind of displayed to me, just how to read the tape to identify what way price is going, whatever. So hold on, guys, just having a little bit of trouble here with my panes. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let me configure my tabs real quick. We're going to put the trading side up, and we're good to go. Let me make sure that I'm on a demo account to prevent any fuckery out there, right? I'm going to do an always on top tab with pop out. All right, so here you go, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the level 2. Hold on just a sec. I'm just going to make sure that I can separate these panes all together, all right? Let me see, just like this here. Make that thing, scooch it all the way to the left, and I'm going to put it in right here, you guys, so that you could see it, right? Not everybody will be able to share with you live data like this, right? But it's all good. We will be. Here you go. I know it's going to be a little bit tiny, so get your glasses out, right? Get your magnifiers out, man. for those of you like me that have shitty visions. But yeah, this is a pretty good. Hold on, guys. I'm going to just go ahead and minimize this. It went a little berserk. It went a little stupido. Okay. Let's bring it up one more time, team. Hold on. Okay. All these guys, I have screens on screens on screens. It makes it a little difficult to get everything out of the way so I can put one little thing up there. Hold on. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. We're still halted up, right? Cool deal. Down. Sorry. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and configure the tabs one more time. And get this thing moving. Again, thank you guys so much for coming on by. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive while we get this thing rolling. And here we go again with the always on top and pop out function of the level 2. So let's go ahead and do that now, right? I'm going to leave it like this, just about like that. Okay, team. So this is the present level 2. I just put this thing on demo so that in case of anything, whatever. Right. So right now it's showing on the SPY. So let me just flip over the ticker and see what's up. Okay. Yeah. Presently right now is just currently for real stuck. No incoming bids whatsoever. These are lulled orders, right? Limit up, limit downs. There is an imbalance in the price and there is a settlement needed to be had in the background. So price action will halt. And while they figure out, however it is that they figure that out, that imbalance will be rebalanced and then price action will continue. If you don't know what that is, just go ahead and type in on your Google LULD orders, right? And it'll give you the sequence as to how things kind of get figured in the background. It happens at high volatility. It happens when price action is starting to get a little intense, right? So if we pull this back into like the 10-minute or the 15-minute time frames, here we go. We are now going right now. So 39.57. Here we go. Let's take a look at your level 2 here and see what's up. Yeah, we're getting at the ask right now. Some okay orders, but there is a balance right now, still suggesting a little pressure to the downside. Remember the lower targets, if we are to retrace all the way to where I'm potentially seeing, could be around a 33.99, but I don't know that it'll get that low, guys. Anything can happen here, remember, right? But of course, as soon as we start breaking the resistances, it'll start doing it again. As you can see here, right? Those times where we try to break out that resistance, it starts to get a little weird. So let's keep an eye on it, right? $40 coming in. Let's see, we have about, tiny orders coming in right now. 4,300, just at about $39 is $39.43, got filled just now. 4,400 shares at around 38.60 just got filled right now. The balance right now is really both sell side and buy side. And if you look at this, right, check this out. Even in a 5-minute time frame, this is the what I tell you guys about when the frequency, right? You're noticing it here on level 2. The frequency of price action, when that starts to increase, right, both short and long, you are going to get expansion, right? This is the disbursement of returns that you're looking at in a linear fashion with volatility, with a heat map in the background, right? So as it turns red, that means critical expansion. That means that we're getting look at it. Look at the speed on the level 2, right? Look at the speed of the orders. So what you want to do is not try to look at every single individual number. What you want to do is try to look at the groups right here, right? I know it's going to be a little bit small for you to see. I get it, you guys. I have I have two fucking 5K screens above me, 49 inches wide curved, right? So I have to maximize the screen so that I can give you guys the right information, right? So that's why it looks a little bit small. So I can't make it bigger right now, and I definitely can't because this is my trading setup. This is my direct access order router. Okay, you guys. So look, all you got to do is look at the groups of numbers. Here comes the halt. Here comes the lull. Look at this. It's about to get halted. It's about to get halted. Heads up. Heads up. Tell me when it halts. 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 Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Getting a little tight. Getting it tied up. Getting tied up. It's getting clogged up. It's getting clogged up. Getting clogged up. Oh. Oh, man. That thing is getting clogged up. There's an imbalance already, guys. It's going to stop again. And that was a halt down. That usually presents an opportunity to get in at lower numbers, of course. Seb, keep an eye on snow for me too, buddy. There we go. Complete halt now, guys. And it's funny is because they're not showing us the bid and ask during the halt. So they're completely stopping it, right? So they kind of know how they kind of know that, the experienced traders are looking at the bid and ask during the halts. We're able to tell if it's going to gap up or gap down, and that's really what I wanted to show you guys. But yeah, they're completely stopping the tape entirely, like full on stop. which makes it kind of shady a little bit and makes it a little more difficult. But yeah, that was actually a gap down. It's going to present an opportunity to open even lower. So the potentials of hitting the $35 zone become a little greater on halt downs, right? It's going to create sell pressure. It's going to create a little bit of fear in the sentiment, but that's part of it. Remember that we were still talking about a potential drop to $33.99. It's normal, guys. This is the reason why I was telling some people probably not to buy at these levels here, because there is usually halt downs, right? Price action will naturally come back down to you. So again, guys, you can see that price action here is in groups, right? Look at the 37s, right? That's the group of 4. Then you have the 38s all the way down here till the 39s show up. Then the 39s show up, and then they give way to the 40s. Try to look at the spread like that, right? Try to look at it in groups of. You're going to see the 38. You're going to see the 37s, and the way you do that is from the top. Okay, look at it from the very top. That blue area here is telling you what that number is and where the likelihood of a sell or buy order is coming. So that's how you read it. And even in really fast and even in a really fast environment, you got to try to focus on the one number. Don't try to take in everything all at once, right? I want to help you read. I want to help you see this the pro way, right? The original way, the way that traders have been doing here for a long time, right? I want to help you see it that way so that you can understand when you have your level 2 data in front of you. I want you to see it this way. It'll help you up. It'll help you out. Okay, so when it unhalts, just take a look at the bid, right? Your bid side is going to give you the buy side orders. The ask is going to give you the sell side orders, okay? So people want to buy at, people want to sell at, okay? Give yourself some room and give yourself like serenity, right? Don't try to catch every single piece of data as it goes. The thesis right now is that price action will drop into the areas of about $35. If it does halt down again, then I don't see any reason why the price action wouldn't reach down to the $33 to $34 level, $33.99-ish, right? So keep an eye on the price, right? And guys, again, right, every single different influencer or trader, right, whatever they want to call themselves, they have a different edge. Everybody has a different style of trading. I want to display to you a more original type of trading right now, guys. I want to show you the OG way, and it's not saying that it's the right way. It's just telling you that is a way, right? We have more of a quantitative analysis today. We have data-driven systems that can give you price targets based on criteria, historical data, all good. But what happens at the moment? What happens during the trade? You know, on the way to the top target that you're looking for, what happens during that? I want to be able to show you how you know these pro scalpers would do it, pro day traders, momentums, all those types, right? And I'm here to display it to you because what if I have some traders like you out there who are interested in looking at things like this, right? So I'm not sure if anyone else is showing it to you like this, guys, but I'm excited to be hopefully one of the first to display to you level 2 like this. I know you can get level 2 sites, but they're not explaining it to you, and they're certainly not gonna tell you how to read it, right? But it doesn't matter. Arca Bulls trading team is here for retail, and we're here to display to you how things go. Snowflake is actually another ticker that I was actually in today, guys, and I am betting the downside on Snowflake, and I do believe it continued on to the downside. Let me just go ahead and take a look at that real quick on my end and see what's up, right? Oh, man, that thing is absolutely freaking... Man, guys, Snowflake is one of these assets that I expect for upside or downside continuation, right? I do think that it still has some further downside. My goodness, man. So just heads up on those tickers. Another one that I was in was actually an FFIE. And my FFIE position is probably just a little bit struggling right now too, but it's all good. And actually, is it? No. Actually, no. I'm 20%. I'm 20% up on the FFIE position. So, guys, if you're wondering if I'm going to go ahead and pick up some more shares here on GME, I'm actually not. I'm not usually the type of trader that adds to the downside. I'm usually the type of trader that adds to the upside. And that means, here we go. Heads up on those numbers, right? Take a look at your bids, right? 3780s coming in, 3781s at the ask as well. There are your 38s. We're starting to get a little bit of a tick up right here. Let's find out to see if we can continue that to the upside in whatever manner. Yeah, no, we have both sell side and buy side interest at around similar levels. 39's coming in. I want to see where the bigger boys are. Yeah, 2,000 shares, 1,700 shares at around 39. There's a tick up coming right now. There we go. There we go. Nice. Let's see if it continues. No, not yet. There's a 2,000 here at around 38. They want to buy it lower. They want to sell it lower. My goodness. Yeah, we have a balance here of short sellers and day traders. They're taking advantage of this current drop, right? So in other words, in a 1 minute time frame, this could be what people consider like a ladder attack, right? So let's continue seeing it. Let's continue observing. And also, what's going on with AMC, right? I know that a lot of people are actually looking at this too. Let me just give it a quick little whirl here and see what's up. Yeah, AMC currently dropping right now, 551 from its high of around 678, 689. Keep an eye on that one for me, team. Let me know what's going on that, right? GME starting to make a tick to the upside. Let's go ahead and take a look. Nice. That's your 38.17 going back to the 50% retrace of the prior day. That 50% is resistance at 38.55. We're probably going to see those in here somewhere. Man, it's starting to get a little weird. Again, we're still live. It's going okay. Yeah, people are buying at the fucking money. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, people are literally buying at the money, and shorts want to take this down to 37 right now, guys. They want to. Yeah, there you go. You see what I mean? It's like you can see these immediate short-term time frame moves, and I will tell you this, that I'm not even sure. Actually, out of curiosity, why don't we do this? Let me just take a look at how the AMC level 2 is looking. AMC is about to halt, and it's a little slower, but it's getting crippled here. AMC's. Oh man. Oh my goodness, that's interesting. Really interesting. Here you go. Yes, trickling down to a nothing right now on AMC side. 3782 on GME. Very, very interesting. We still have about an hour and 50 minutes till we get the Roaring Kitty live stream, right, you guys? So let's take a look at that update right now. Oh my goodness, man. Take a look at that, right? There is absolutely 46,400 people now on queue waiting for the homeboy to come in and say what's up. 3690 on GME. Let me take a look at the level 2 on that and pull it up. Right, here we go. 3706 is gonna tick up right now. Going back to reclaim the 37s. Wait, people buying at 36. Let me see where they're going. Let me see how far they're going. 2,000 shares at 3685. There we go. That guy got filled. Nice. We'll see if we got any other Joe, I'm sorry, CoinFox. What I'm seeing right now, you guys, are massive orders coming in on the ask. So wait for this thing. It's still trying to come down. Yeah, it's getting a little bit shorted right now. This is it's downside pressure. It's downside pressure. Heads up. Hold it, right. Every single tick up is going to get shorted. And by the way, the reason why I said every single tick up is going to get shorted is for a reason. If you take a look, I want to display to you, okay? Take a look at right up here where I'm clicking, right? You see the SSR? That is a short sale restriction. Okay? There is a short sale restrict on order here on GME that is created with volatility. Now, that doesn't mean, for those of you who don't really understand that does not mean that the asset cannot be shorted. It means that the asset can be shorted on a tick up, not a tick down. Okay, so let's just say this. If price action is dropping, you can't FOMO in and short. You can't market short at the down tick. You have to limit in on an uptick, create the short position, trigger the short position on an up, within the downside. It doesn't mean that people can't short it. It just creates a little bit of a difficulty within it, right? So know the terminologies, know the restrictions, know the rules, right? And you'll be able to benefit from the upside in this, okay, you guys, and from the downside. Remember, I'm showing you this because this is how the fuck do we know this, right? First of all, CoinFox giving us that nice news. I think it was a CoinFox and maybe options too. But yeah, they gave us that nice information. But guys, that plays well for the knowledge of a long. That means that if the longs know that the shorts have a disadvantage by having an SSR order on your ticker, you as a long have an advantage, right? That tells you that, okay, well, they can't FOMO in. So they're going to try their best to kind of balance out the game. So this, in other words, is for the first time where I can say, okay, well, you know what? This is a good thing. They're balancing out the shorts versus the longs, and they're kind of putting in a slight edge on the long side. Because guys, come on, we are talking about a drop from 60 some odd dollars all the way down to 37. Yeah, this kind of volatility is going to introduce a short sale restriction. So remember, it's going to be a limit on a tick up, not market on tick down. Okay, so people already releasing news. Let's see. This is Newswires here saying GameStop down nearly 21%. This is going to make everybody go in like, I'm about to buy the dip. That's kind of the worst news that you can that's kind of the worst news that you can actually put out with things like this, right? Senor Pennington sharing with us some very key information here. Let's take a look. GameStop Q1 adjustment EPS. Here we go. Of course they do this. Right. Take a look at this. This is the GameStop Q1 adjustment EPS. 12 cents on the dollar. Right. So misses 0.09 estimate sales 881 million. Miss of 1.05 billion estimate. Right. Oh my goodness, man. I'm not sure if this is actually going to play into the immediate short term, but it is something that we should watch out nonetheless, right? And here's the other thing that Senor Pennington is sharing with us within the live stream. Thank you, buddy. This is the prospectus supplement, right? And this is the GameStop up to 75 million shares, Class A common stock. This is up here for your benefit, guys. Take a read on it and see what you see. I'm not sure if you guys are catching everything here, but Senor Pennington is one of those dudes who's able to bring up the news as it happens. Yes, we already kind of knew that they were going to do this, that they would potentially sell some stock. It's all good, you guys. That shit happens, you know. Like I said earlier, I'm also not, I'm not only looking out for the shareholders, but I'm also looking out for the company itself. We know that it's been on a little bit of a struggle, right? It's been trying to pick up, and so if it's not completely profitable during its quarters, then if this price is rallying to the upside, I think it'd be a good way for them to actually pull some cash so that they can make further adjustments into their fundamentals moving forward. So in other words, yes, short-term misses, short-term bad EPS, but it's going to be longer term or future forward guidance, future better forward guidance, right? So this is going to allow expansion. It's going to allow acquisition, right? We're talking about mergers. We're talking about the potentials of, I know there's the speculation of the Toys R Us thing. Toys R Us is actually speculated to come into business late this year, right? So that's already showing us that it's a really interesting thing. In fact, Toys R Us and Google is displaying the GameStop membership power button symbol, right? So I know that the power button is kind of a universal. It is kind of a universal symbol or whatever, but it is still curious that Toys R Us does their video game side, right? So just kind of keep those things in mind and see what's up, guys. So let's take a look at the tape. We're definitely continuing right now. 37.44. We're still hovering the 50% retrace that we spoke of yesterday, right? It's all good. It's still kind of as my buddy says, hoovering, right? He's my good buddy. So Aaron saying GameStop going to spike $80 when Roaring Kitty goes live. I hope so, man. And you know what? What I can say is that the real play could actually be after hours as well, right? Just like we were talking about yesterday, and why, right? Why the after hours thesis on GameStop or AMC? Well, that's because we have a lack of halts. There is a scarcity of halts in the after hours trading, to put it into very light terms, right? Things get a little bit iffy and things get a little bit crunchy, inside of that, in the side of the after hours trade. While I will say that, yes, there's no halts, during the after hours, I will say that there are no stop losses either, too. So, you're going over there fucking commando, right? And if you're going to be able to benefit from the price action, you better get your ass in and out real quick, or else you're going to get your asses handed landed to, right? Well, yesterday I am, my average right now is sitting at about $39. I'm hovering break even and just slightly red, slightly green, slightly red, right? It's all good. I'm not going to add in here, guys. For those of you who are wondering, I'm the type of trader that adds into strength. So as soon as we start breaking, the critical resistances, in my personal opinion, yes, the critical resistance now is the high of day, right? We need to get over that $48 level. As soon as we start breaking above that $48 level, I'm going to buy a little tiny bit so that we could touch the after hours high of 67.50, right? So as soon as we break that 67.50, validate that. I may decide to enter a little bit there too, but at the 67.50, you might as well say $70, right? And then when you're at $70, you might as well say 80. Right, so I'm stuck in a weird little gooch right there. So if I'm gonna get a continuation to the upside, I think I probably would just load up a little bit heavy. Probably just wait actually to load up the break of the 67, confirm support at around that 67.65, then get the strength and ride up the additional $15-20. And as soon as we break the 80 and confirm, right, that would be the area where I would buy in again, guys. This is a strategy that was taught by me in an inverse manner by my mentor, and also by Tom Hugard, right? So read his books, right? I think it's called the Biggest Loser Wins. I forgot the name of the book. It's in the Discord in the section all the way on the top where it says socials and affiliates. That is also where you'll find the link for the TradingView software that I use here. I know that some of you have been very curious about that. Let's see. People are forming small orders. Yeah, I completely see it, buddy. Now, Lux is saying, I believe Ryan Cohen has something big planned. Yeah, completely. I mean, and also I do believe he has something big planned with Roaring Kitty. I do believe that they're in cahoots. I mean, first of all, I think the guy owns a little bit over 4% stake on the company now, right? We're at that point where you do have to file a 13F or 13. Which one was it? The G, where you own if you own more than 4 or 5%, the company, you have to actually file it, right? But yeah. I mean, I honestly think that there is something going on. They're definitely in cahoots and showing a potential something incoming. And you know what? At least the videos that he put out, they're still kind of showing consistency too with what's happening now. Right, just if you guys watch the reverse order of those videos, right, kind of everything that prophecy is kind of coming into fruition here, little by little. Of course, there's going to be moments of pullbacks, but that's not something that's unseen, you guys, and it's not I mean, look back, right? Just look back to the last time we ran this thing to around that $500 level. Now. Post split 128.28. If you take a look back, just observe how price action on that way up. These are 12-hour intervals, right? So you can see here, man, that we opened this day here. We started getting that Momo. We opened down here at about $9.99, right? Remember that this is I'm giving you the numbers based on post split. So we opened up at $9.99, $10. The price action is over the next 6 days. Catches this thrust from $9 to $18, $18 to fucking $40. This area here was comparable, equivalent to around $300 maybe or $280. The stock maybe right around there. And look at the pullback. Take a look at that pullback. Right, we're talking about a pullback from $40 all the way down to $15, and then ends up closing at about $19.25. Every single candle you see here gives you a story, right? The opening, range high, range low, close. So, or otherwise known here, OHLC, the opening high, the open high low close valuations of a candle. So whoever was writing this, right? I know that some of you OGs are probably in here when you rode the price action up during the February run 2021. You will remember the volatility. I know that you will. I know that you're observing this right now. They're like, yep, that typical fuckery. They're gonna do that. And also the fact is that we have people who are fearing not ever returning back to the levels where we're at right now. Take a look at the price at $35.29. That's the equivalence of around 220 pre-split. right? So the asset is absolutely fucking rocket shipping right now. You know, this is a big ass upside. Guys, when we were talking about finding support and I was giving you the bull signals last week, well, I'm talking about that we were sitting at $23. You know, we were sitting at $22. And I was giving you the bull thesis here. I'm telling it's not to push it. And remember, I'm a short bias trader, so I don't give a shit about the direction. I'm not going to short it. I definitely would be a fucking idiot if you're shorting this thing, man. This is a freight train, you know? You don't do that to memes, right? You ride the upside on these boys and you pull out, right? And so if you're a day trader, if you're a momentum trader. But what I will tell you is that, yeah, you know what? The shorts are going to get fucked here because I know that I would get fucked at that point. So I'm going to give it to you just the way it is. And the price action certainly made that move up based on geometrics, based on stats, based on whatever, plus the fundamental catalyst, and that catalyst being Roaring Kitty. Now, we're about to halt into the price action here for GME. Take a look at the price to see where it halts. Is it going to halt on the upside or the downside? It matters. So 34, 34, 32, 34. Let's see. 36, 35, 38. Keep an eye on price. Let's see where it halts, and we'll be able to... All right, guys. We're hitting the targets that we just spoke of. We said $33.99 or $34 would be one of the lows to observe on a 90% the prior candle pullback, right? And that happens because of the halts, right? It creates fear. It creates fear. Okay, today's $48 high is problematic on yep. Very, very sharp of you, Otis. Yes, I do. I kind of I just don't speak of things like that because I don't want to create I don't want to be the bearer of bad news or whatever. So I'm just going to give you the price as it is. But that's very observant of you, and I agree. And I do think that as long as we're below that, as long as we're below that target, it's we belong to consolidation or to some slight bearish action. We've already reached. I'm not sure if we actually reached $34.99, $33.99, guys, but we got pretty close to the target that we spoke of, at least from my perspective as I was speaking before this. Right, $34.12 is the lowest that I saw. What is the lowest that you saw? Let me know inside of the chat right now. And see what's up. Seb saying GME's volume today is already half of yesterday in less than an hour with so many halts. That is absolutely nuts. Guys, let me take a sip of this water right here. Keep an eye on your level 2. Actually, the imbalance didn't actually happen. We're doing good. It felt like it was going to be a bottleneck there, but we're okay. It solved itself. 100 million volume. Okay, Lux, you got 34.11. Good deal. So, so far, so good, right? I wanted to... What I'm trying to do here is, in case I have some bottom tick traders, I want to give my bottom dollar targets as well, right? I'm not going to say ever because I have, but it's going to be very difficult for me to nail targets to the penny, you know? But oftentimes what you hear from my master students inside of the Discord trading room and... or the Arca Bulls trading team is that I'm often off by 1 penny, and they tisk me on that on a joke, but it's all good. You know what? Gal has a pretty good idea. Sure, we can go ahead and run the immediate short-term time frame manipulation algorithm that we've developed, right? So let's just go ahead and take a look at that and see where we currently are. 36, 88, and 89. It's actually moving up. It's about to halt. Heads up, right? That bottleneck is coming in right now, man. It's experiencing. Solve it. Don't pause. Oh, man. Oh, God. Yeah, volatility is coming in a little too insane. As soon as volatility reaches a certain threshold and it creates the imbalance, that's right when you're going to catch that price action. Diminishing to a halt is about to fucking do it. Oh, no. Heads up. That's your loading bar right now telling you that you're about to get... Okay, let's look at the price. Guys, I see it halted. The bids are still coming in. Hold on, 36.91 at the bid. 36.91. We're still there. Hold up. It's gonna halt. Hold on. There we go. Halted. All right. 36.91. Okay. 36.92 was the ask. Yes. 36.91. We're at the money, but I can't tell now where it is. They fucking block out our visibility, so I can't tell if it's gonna go up or down. Usually the normal halts are able to give us the. They're able to give us the both bid and ask during that halt. And for some reason, this time around, we're not catching the bid or ask level 2 information. Man, and that's it. Actually, I'm pretty annoyed. I'm pretty annoyed by that fact, right? That they're not displaying this to us. It really diminishes the edge here. And I'm talking about a direct access order router, guys. This fucking shit is $200 a month. We have to make sure to utilize our tools the right way. But damn it, dude. Okay, so guys, was this trading team Discord? Was this a halt up or a halt down? So guys, for those of you who are curious, it was up. Okay, thank you guys. So for those of you curious inside of the YouTube live stream, let me just go ahead and flip over the screen here. This is currently the Arca Bulls trading team right now. What's up, man? So this is the stage, right? I'm actually displaying my screen right up in here. Of course, it's going to get a little wonky there, but all good. And yeah. So right now, inside of the Arca Bulls trading team, we have about 76 of the ABT team members. And this is what we do, right? Now that we kind of halted there, I just wanted to make sure to give you a peep into what it looks like from my end for the trading team. This is where we are in private every single trading day. Okay, you guys, so if you are wondering, this is what we do. This is how we display it, how we show it, how we do our magic, how we do the little dance, right? So let me now go ahead and bring you back to the opposing side here, to the chart. Here we go. Are we back on the chart? Think we're doing pretty good? Okay, yeah. Oh, man. And motherfucking is saying, Orca, you lusty love bucket. How is FFIE looking? Yeah, why don't we go ahead and take a look at FFIE and let's see what's up with the ticker, right? FFIE. Let's see. Daily time frame. I want to catch the daily behavior on this and see what's up. Please also, guys, let me know what AMC is doing in GME. I know we're halted up, and I know that AMC is probably still kind of running right now, right? So, see, it looks like it's showing about 550, 5 points down. Okay. All right. So FFIE facing a high of 78.46. See the price action, how it's declining right now? It actually makes me feel like FFIE is now somehow kind of tied to GME's price action. It's kind of revolving around. It's sort of like an index, like a sympathy to its index. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there is a huge amount of people talking about FFIE inside of the Roaring Kitty stream. So once you start to cluster the ticker FFIE mentioned over and over and over and over, you can actually use that. Let me show you, right? Let me show you what I mean. And you're going to catch a similarity right now, because now there's 60,100 people on queue. And let me flip over the screen here and give you a perspective. Take a look at this. Look at the chat, right? You see how it's moving? Does that kind of remind you of the level 2? Right? So if you go into really popular streams and you start to see the words that pop out to you more and more and more, what I'm seeing here is that we have buy, hodl, right? Or hodl, whatever. FFIE just passed by, right? We have, let's see, smart money. Let's see what else pops out. Let's increase the rate on this. FFIE again, right? You'll start noticing that you can use, you see words like YOLO, right? So when you start using things like diamond hands, YOLO, then you put GME, right? You put FFIE, baby, and you start to catch those signals. You guys, this is something that the algorithms, spider bots or whatever else, they're using on every single type of stream to identify what the trends are. Okay? So I'm gonna tell you about this is because I do believe that this is a very strong way to be able to identify trend, right? So if we can get clever, if we can get creative over the way that we observe price action, then we can really have an edge over the institutions and over potential predatory short sellers too. I want to be able to show you more and more of the way I trade, of the way the team trades. We get really creative with the way we present our thesis and analyses. Okay, I know, I get it that, you know, it's a little bit difficult, you know, it's a lifelong commitment or whatever else, which, by the way, guys, I haven't actually even promoted one time today, but I am still offering this, guys. There's too many requests that came in for me not to actually take advantage of it, but I am still offering that lifetime join for life, the lifeline, right? So if you join with me, I'll be able to throw you that lifeline. Make sure to catch on to that shit, and you can be a permanent member forever of the Arca Bulls trading team. Get the perks, get the trade systems, right? Get the algorithms, trade like us, and trade like us every day with us live. So make sure to take your phone to that, right? Click on that and come by, because there's a lot, guys. What I'm showing you here, I told you in the morning, right, when we came on, I told you that I'd be able to explain to you more of the thesis and how we trade these things live, right? So I give you my bottom ticks, I give you my top ticks, I'll give you my ideas, I'll give you everything that's passing through my mind in order for you to catch that edge, you know? And if you can catch it, then you're going to be able to expand your mind, and you'll realize that it's not only about making money in this system, it's about getting super fucking creative in the system, and it's about getting better at solving a puzzle than your opposing party. Okay, so if you are able to play the game better, right? If you're able to play the game better than your opposing partner, shit, man, you might have an edge here. And then you're going to say to yourself, shit, it was all about imagination. That's right, it is. What are you going to use? What is the edge that you're going to use to combat that thesis, right? To combat the opposing thesis. So if we can merge our heads together, right, and use these ideas, these ideologies, the thesis, right, analyses, everything, let's merge them together and really grow as one unit, because I'm not here for you to just listen to me. I'm here to listen to you as well. I'm looking for talented traders every single day, right? I'm going to make an institution out of this shit. I'm going to make it fucking big. And I'm always looking for my talent. So join the Arca Bulls trading team, because one day you could be making mad ass money with us without even being a permanent member. Let's see. Great TV podcast saying, if you try to sell us one more thing today, I swear I'm gonna scream. Arca, you fucking chill. Stupid Bitcoin saying, I will give you a free indicator if you join. Shit, man, that was free. I didn't sell it. Oh my goodness, dude. And it's funny you're saying that shit, because I haven't said it one time. I guess that's the joke, right? But let's see. We're still sitting. Yeah, guys, FFIE, hold off on this, right? Hold off on it. It's still looking okay. But the problem here is that, yeah, you're looking at the tie between GME and AMC. So that's going to get you a little bit of pressure to that downside, of course, because it's on the fucking downside. All right, we're getting a tick to the upside now, $37, and it's really trying. Hold on. Whoa. Who the hell is that? How dare you? Okay. All right, we're doing good. Now let's check in on AMC as well, you guys. Let's see what's up. Okay, AMC breaking out of a falling wedge on the 5-minute. Let's take a look. That is one of the trading team members telling that we're potentially breaking out of a falling wedge on a 5-minute time frame. Let's look at it. Yep, it is there. It certainly is there. It's actually a wolf. Let's go ahead and take it into consideration here. Right? And I would say right about here. Support validation happening right now on a 5-minute wedge. Of course, this has a 50% strike rate when you Rothschild, thank you so much, man. Appreciate you, buddy. So yeah, if this thing is validating support, you can see it on regression right now, validating, right? You're going to get 3 targets on this. Your top target is going to be at the breakout, right? This is your triangle family. It usually breaks out at 65 to 75% of the apex of the triangle, right? Get your center of the triangle target. This is arguably the 50%. So if we break out on this point, it's going to be a very similar target to the 50% of the triangle. Your third target is going to be the rear end of the triangle, right? These are your psychological targets. Let's go ahead and apply the first target to the upside. We have not reached it just yet. It would be 559. Second target, let's apply it right here. It would be, we haven't reached it, of course. it would be just about 561. Then the rear end of the triangle will give you this target here. Apply it to that area there, and you can see that 571 is a zone that we've already kind of been looking at, right? So we have confluence with targets. Let me just go ahead and apply them like this for your benefit, and we'll be good to go. So you have that 560. Right up in here, you have that 561, right? And the top side target, of course, we already have there. Let's use that 570, 571 target. There you go. Okay, so for those of you that are able to see this, right, this is going to be a falling wedge strategy. Your break and then your validation of support here at the close of a 5-minute candle is your entry. That is the type, that is if I were to, paper trade this, right? I got to say it like that. Paper trade entry right at around that 550 level at the break and close of the 5-minute candle over in 1 minute and 44 seconds. You validate that support. You open the new candle, get that bottom tick, enter on an aggressive trade, or you can do a type of trade where you break the high. If you break the high of 556 on the next candle, that could be your entry as well. Breakout trader, right? So your bottom tick trader is going to be the aggressive trader is going to wait for the candle to close at around 120. Then, like we always say, we always know that at the close of a candle, you get a 50% retrace the prior candle, right? So we got to wait to see what this is going to close like. So if it runs up to the upside here and it closes around 55, then we could see a 50% pullback. Your entry zones would be around 552, 551. Now, if you put 552, 551 to the 50% of the current candle, well, you'll see that 52, 51 is landing at the regression, right? 51. Confluence. You look for things like this. You look for opportunities like that. The rhyming of targets, the rhyming of previous supports, the conversion of resistance into support with a bottom test and confirmation and validation of support means entry on an aggressive trade. So I'm doing it. What's up, Cat and Daddy? Good to see you, bro. Let's see. I listened to you last night. If I make profits like you predicted, I'm joining. I'm $400 down right now, so I think everybody is, buddy. Now, please remember that I did call this downside too. I did specify that we will get 50% retrace of the prior day's candle. That was the if factor, right? Even if we open at $62, the daily candle would be the pullback. Now let's go ahead and take a look at if it happened though, right? Let's take a look at it. We expected to drop down to the areas of about 38 to 39, I think I said, right? How did we figure that? Like this. You take a box, right, from the top end of your prior day's candle to the lower end of it, right, just like this. And it tells you a 50% retrace. Now, what we use here, where it was the 50%, and we used a bottom tick from this candle here to this candle close. So 39.49 was the potential area for a pullback. And I was speaking if we opened from $60-something, right? During the after hours, this thing dropped to the 50%, and we're right now sitting at around 46% of the stock, right? We're hovering around this area here. So usually when you get a close, right? When you get a close of a major candle like this, you tend to get a 50% pullback the prior candle. I explained that it doesn't happen every time. Sure, it's got a 68% probability of a 44% to 50% pullback. Here's something good that's happening. Check this out. Ticker symbol SPY. This is our ETF. S&P 500 is ripping. This should be giving fuel to GME. If it's not giving it fuel right now, that's on some bullshit. We've noticed the correlation between SPY and GME up to right now. And then they're not letting it go. That's it's really annoying. Gray Man saying, hell yeah, that's solid info, brother. Seems to me I'm doing okay with my strategy, but need to loosen up on my stop. No. Don't loosen up your stop. Or if you don't know just yet how to use your stop or how to really properly apply risk management, then maybe attenuate, right? You gotta bet smaller. And try to see what the workaround is. Are you an hourly trader? Are you a 4-hour trader? Are you a daily trader? Right? Are you a 1-minute trader? Right? If you know that information, you're gonna know where your stop loss is. So if you pull up, like one of the algorithms here that we've developed here within the within the Arca Bulls trading systems. This is data cells. Very simple algorithm. This gives you VWAP, right? It gives you the VWAP upper band of the 2 standard deviation top side, 2 standard deviation bottom side of VWAP. Gives you daily ATR top. The target would be 44.62. Your current ATR low, meaning whatever time frame you're in. And it gives you on top over here your current ATR and daily ATR. You're seeing that your daily ATR is giving you $6.93. What does that mean? That means that this asset can run an average of $6.93 any day that this opens. Any daily candle, because that's your daily, right? So if we take a look at the current time frame, if we bring this down to an hourly, what is that information telling us? It's telling us that the current time frame on an hourly is more volatile than your daily. You have a $7 average true range. What about your 4-hour? 4-hour time frame even more volatile than your daily. The reason why it's higher is because it's been reading all night. The daily only started reading at the open of the day. So you'll be able to catch an edge over the time frame that you're trading. My point is that when you get an opening, let's see a 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle telling you that you move an average of every 15-minute candle closure, $4.94. So at any opening of a new 15-minute candle, so in other words, let's look at this one now. 1 minute and 8 seconds, we're going to close this 15-minute. That means that at the open of the next 15-minute, you're going to get an average of $4.94 up or down. So if you're a 15-minute trader and you know that you have an average true range of $4.94, where's your stop? Your stop is you're going to get hunted within the ATR. So you would have to put it slightly below that. Now, slightly below what? So if you're bottom ticking a 15-minute candle, let's wait for the open. If this thing opens up at 36.06, then you have to count, right? Use a little bit of math. $5 down. $31. That means that if it reaches $31, you potentially have an entry at $31. But that's just on a 15-minute tick. What is it in comparison to the formation? Because we know that we were on a falling wedge, the triangle. And the bottom tick on that is 351. I'm sorry, 35.51. Right? So here it goes. That's the new open. It closed at just about $36. So this should bring it down $36, right? You have a current ATR in a 15-minute time frame of $2.30 now. So 36, 35, 34. So around the $34, what's there? That's your bottom side of this candle here at 34.10. That wick. So now you have to look at your structure. What is this showing you? This is a potential strategy for a short seller. Why am I saying that? Because remember, I'm fucking short biased. I'm telling you how to play the fucking short. All right, listen. This is the way that you get your target. Take a trend line from the top end to the bottom end, because this is called a dead cat bounce. The dead cat bounce is a bearish formation. Once you break the bottom side of the 34.10, take that trend line, apply it to the bottom side, you get a target of 30.71. So now that would be you identifying 36 to 30. So what has a $6 ATR? So let's go up. Let's go up. Let's find out what has it. This is the 5-minute time frame, has a $2 average true range. $10 has 3. $15 has 460. $30 has 585. And the $30-minute time frame is over in 13 minutes. See what I mean? You got to use confluence. You got to use different time frames and their ATRs to determine where that bottom is going. It's a different strategy. I've been trained differently than a lot of people. It could come across as weird. It could come across as guys, it's going to come across as different to you is because I am short biased. It's my way, right? And this is what we do. When you're my master student, I will teach you to find yours. And that's how it goes, guys. So make sure to observe multiple time frames and their ATRs. So when I'm looking at price, when you go say, Arca, can you look at this ticker or look at that ticker or tell me that ticker, tell me this or that? I am putting together all of these tiny little tricks in a split second, all together in my brain in a split second, so that I can give you that edge. And hopefully I can provide some clarity into price action within maybe a 3 to 4 minute read. Right? All of the little imagine all that shit that I just taught you right now within 10, 15 minutes. Like, I have to gather all that shit. You know, I have to gather it and make sure that I can fucking expelliarmus that shit to you, right? I have to make sure that that's fucking nerd. I gotta make sure that shit just comes out to you like that, right? So Gray Man saying, dude, dude is dropping bangers for free. I'm in. I love you, buddy. So, yeah, I don't want to. I'm gonna give it to you guys for free like this because this is a rare occasion, right? We're experiencing some shit that's gonna pop off with Roaring Kitty in about an hour, and if I'm streaming this live and benefiting from having a great crew coming through, I want to make sure that I can at least share some valuable education tips, right? And these are just like club meeting tips. This is not even the guys. This is not even the tip of the fucking iceberg. What I just displayed to you right now is absolute common knowledge, and it's absolutely known by almost anyone in the trade who practices this constantly, and it's consistent. So wow, Arca, a pro, I can tell. This is how Big Money reads the chart. Yeah, but you know, Big Money actually uses larger time frames. You want to bring in your monthlies, right? You want to bring in your quarterly charts, your semi-annuals, and your annuals, which is why, right? I'm going to remind you guys, right? Which is why this is something that I displayed to you over the last 2 days. No one really is talking about the annual chart on GME, and actually the annual chart is probably the most bullish fucking thing I've seen in my life, right? So if you know candle structures, if you know candle strategies and breakout strategies, this you'll see it as, I mean, clear as day, right? 2 retracement candles plus a green one, that's a fucking bull flag. So that green candle right there is the candle for breakout, the one that we're on with 6 months and 25 days to go. So there is fucking time inside of this, right? No one is looking at a fucking yearly candle, but I'm here displaying it to you because the institutions look. And I keep on telling you that I want to teach you how to trade like institutions do, right? The immediate short-term time frame, sure, you know that, yeah, we could express the strategies of the norm, right? It would be what I just displayed to you as a dead cat bounce with ATRs. A lot of guys in the trading floor would call that a normie, you know. But I know that a lot of those strategies are just because like what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to you if you're a brand new firefighter, you know, and you come in brand new, and they're telling you how to open up the spigot for water from one of the trucks. I mean, it's kind of a process, right? But when you're actually a part of the game and you're actually a part of the lifesavers within the firefighters community, you'll know exactly what to do that in a split second because that's second nature to you because you do it every day, right? But I know for a fact that a lot of retail, they don't know these strategies. So I have to make sure to give you from the very foundation what that terminology is, right? So if you're able to find out what that terminology is from a very fundamental standpoint in technical analysis, because I mean, I will say that you'll have a slight edge. And but if you're talking to me as a systematic trader, like with now the experience that I've had over the years, then I'll tell you that a lot of technicals are bullshit, and I don't use technicals that much. I only use the formations. I use the head and shoulders, right? I use all that stuff because that's what's popular. But behind the scenes, I don't trade with lines. I don't trade with drawings. I don't trade with triangles. I trade with data. I trade with criteria. I trade with a forward look, with statistics, with physics. So I'm not drawing things like that. So if my data is telling me that this would be the target, and we're going to face a standard deviation to the downside of this much, then I'm probably going to fucking use the standard deviation to pull back. I'm going to let the money come to me and then enter that weakness as a bottom tick. And then when I enter that weakness, I'm going to enter slight, like very light, right? Then if I pop open and I start breaking resistances, I'm going to buy the strength. Then if it continues going, I'm going to buy the strength. The break of every new resistance and confirmation of every new support is where I'm going to buy. It's a different strategy. I'm usually the guy that has multiple entries and one fucking huge solid exit, right? There's guys in my team who have one solid fucking entry and they have multiple sells. There's guys who probably do 2 and 2. There's guys who do 3 and 3. It's up to you and it's up to your character. There's no right or wrong. Where's your edge? And then as you refine that edge, you have to identify, backtest yourself, log it, write it down, right? Because then you're going to catch a statistical pattern. Did this strategy, I'm practicing the ABCD strategy right now. What did it do for me over the last 3 months? How did the quarter do on an ABCD retracement? Well, it looks like I got fucking plus 4% gains on this one. What about a dead cat bounce short? How did that do over the last quarter? So it gives you this percentage. How did the inverse head and shoulder strategy do? How did the breakout strategy do from opening range? Right? So then you're cataloging all the strategies that you're doing. I will say that you got to learn one at a time, though. Put a lot of time into one. Understand it like the back of your hand. Move on to the next one. It takes a lot of time. Okay, so once you have your catalog of different strategies, you're going to be able to see that one's underperforming because you're statistically tracking yourself, because you're logging it, right? So once you have that tracked and then you're seeing that, oh shit, this formation here is quite literally the biggest underperformer, I'm going to get that out because it's impacting my equity curve. So you get that out and then you put in the next strategy, or you don't, or you just see what the next quarter is going to be without it. And did it prove worthy? So then your equity curve is going to change into a more positive slope. If you track it, if you log it, you'll be able to identify your personal weaknesses. But it takes a lot of discipline, guys. And I'm not, it's been a long time since I've continued to log my trades, right? It's been a long time since I've tracked my losses. I just know that the losses are going to fit within one criteria, and that's it. You know, but and if I continue to draw down, then fuck, I'm just going to stop and fucking reevaluate and be like, okay, well, I fucked up. Let me see what I have to adjust. So that's how it kind of works out, team. And I want to make sure that you have that edge too. So let's come back here into the 5-minute time frame and see what's going on. Right now, guys, we still have about I'm very excited, right? We actually have about an hour and about 5 minutes to the Roaring Kitty stream. Let's go ahead and take a look at how that's doing right now. I'm going to pull you in to that stream. Right? Oh my goodness. Check that out, you guys. We are literally 70,600 people waiting. Rocket ships. Oh my God. But this is just lunacy, right? As it's getting closer and closer, man, this guy, he went from 621 subs to 821,000 overnight. He's gonna hit 1 million subs today. Just like his Twitter X did, man. That thing ended up running. It ended up running from I think it was 300,000 followers to 1.3 million in like 2 weeks. It just maxed out. It fucking expanded. Right now, because Cyber Salt and I agree, this is quite literally what is happening right now. You guys take a look at this screen right here. Throw those fucking A's in the chat if this is not speaking the absolute truth right now, man. Right? Do 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 do. Like I can hear the music behind it already, dude. It's so funny. Oh my goodness, man. I love it. Nice. Yeah, guys, check it out. The strategy is still playing what we were potentially observing, right? As soon as we start breaking below this 35-cent zone, the 34.10s are going to be coming in on the dead cat strategy, right? Let's see how that works out. And this is, remember, this is you backtesting yourself on different strategies. Only because one is showing upside doesn't mean that the larger time frame is showing an upside, right? Chris Flowers is saying I'm literally making popcorn for Roaring Kitty's live stream. Bro, I cannot wait for this, right? And I know that a lot of the team members are kind of waiting here for me because we're gonna stream it live, and I want to observe price action as he goes. So as he goes, I'm gonna start plotting the areas of resistance. I'm gonna plot the areas of support and make sure that we can stay ahead of the game, because you never know what this guy's gonna fucking say, man. Imagine he says, just imagine this motherfucker comes out with "I like the stock," right? That shit is gonna probably moon through the fucking roof, man. Or what if he says at the open, guys, I'm gonna fucking be exercising these damn shares at a blah 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 blah. But something tells me that as soon as he farts into that fucking microphone, that shit's gonna blow the roof, man. So some people may be over there saying, buy the fucking dip, right? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, dude. Me too. Wicked is saying, I wonder what he's gonna say. Yeah, same here, man. Same here. I'm really excited though. I'm very excited. And somebody actually mentioned me the other day, and they were saying, Arca, you're making history in the making. As we speak, you're probably gonna end up on the documentary, the second documentary. I don't fucking know, guys. If I end up I'll probably hopefully it's before or after 10,000 subs, right? Which by the way, we're getting very fucking close to. I don't even know where I am in the subs, guys, but I think I'm up around 2,500 subs over just the last few days, man. I'm fucking insane, man. I love you guys so much. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you, man. And also my dying son. So yeah. Let go. So not fucking funny. Kick your ass, right? But anyway, you guys, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna fucking come out on that shit, but if they do invite me, it'd be fucking cool. And I'm saying this because I was thinking of doing a face fucking reveal at around 10,000, but I'm going up to it so fucking fast that I guess I just might as well make it fucking 20, right? Just to try to get the hype going on that shit, man. But man, put the mask on for the reveal, bro. You know what? Fuck it. We're going to make it 100K, bro. My team is telling me no fucking reveal. Don't do it. You're going to ruin your rep. Yeah, hence why I haven't said it, man. There's a lot of people always fucking after me, man. There's always somebody trying to fucking short the Arca Bulls trading team. They can shut the fuck up. Just say no. Coin Fox also, guys. My entire team is saying, don't do it. Don't do it. Protect yourself. Protect yourself, Arca. Yeah, man. Oh, dude. Options, bro. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, you guys. Let's see. Batter saying, Arca, the Aztec masked warrior. I'm the AMW or what, buddy? All right, GME stock earnings. GameStop misses EPS. Right, we already kind of fucking knew that shit, right? By 9 cents. And then... Shut up, fool. Stop talking about the freaking miss. Guys, I'm not going to tell you that I know that this is going to go to a downside here. It's just that it's typically a formation that is played short, right? And I will say that sometimes the shorts can get trapped as fuck on these too, so got to be very careful. Paul Andrews saying, I'll be joining the lifetime membership soon. Arca, by the way, did someone ever tell you sounded like George Lopez? I'm a fan of George Lopez, LOL. Brother, yes, I always get that. And people fucking don't understand. They always say that shit, man. They always say that. You sound like George Lopez, bro. And then I get the pictures all over the place, man. Motherfuckers making me look like I'm George Lopez and shit. But yeah, I get that all the time. What if I am? What if I'm not? What if George Lopez is a fucking pro trader, right? We out here fucking giving it to you, man. And I think it's because of the rasp, right? I think it's because we listen, man. It's the masked singer up in here. You gotta guess who it is. All right. Oh my goodness, man. There are 6 live streams presently for GME at the moment. Man, guys, you got room to choose. You got room to choose, man. But guess what? So far, the face reveal for your famous George Lopez, right, is it's so far. So far, it was actually this face reveal that I pulled out when was it, right? It was when Roaring Kitty started speaking. This was the spot right here, right? That's what I put on for the fucking stream, man. I put that shit on so that I can go ahead and give respects to the man with the fucking red bandana, right, with an ape. And that was the face reveal that I did just a couple weeks ago. And yes, you can definitely tell that the hands are brown, right? Oh, man. And also in the background, you can see the Sun Tzu's Art of War. Damn it. You're giving it all a fucking way, man. Who is that guy? Who is that guy, man? But yes, brother, yes, I gotta tell you, Paul, man, so many people have speculated that. Look at the price action here, you guys. This is the break, right? This would be the break of in the short play. So if it fails this area, yeah, you're gonna fall down into the let me see, right about here, about the 3350 level. Bounce back, validate your resistance, and the resistance is gonna be right about here. How many? 2 minutes to go. No. That may actually make the downside, guys. Heads up. This is a short play happening right now. Heads up. Yeah, same here. I take it very, very seriously. You know, in the Art of War, where they tell you that every battle's won before it's fought. You know, that's power, man. That is powerful, which is why me and the team, we tend to look at every potential angle here, man. So if we have a bull thesis, I often ask my master students and the trading team to invalidate the bull thesis. I want to show you how I want you to show me how you would short it, right? I want you to take advantage of the bull play. Where would you take it? Is there a prior gap? Is there a gap in the way on a daily? What time frame are you trading it? Is it are we going to the upside with decreasing volume, a bearish divergence, right? What is it? Invalidate the bull play, right? I want to look at every angle, man, because we are gonna fight it like that. Okay, guys, yeah, that's a lot of pressure right now. Level two is displaying 3347 in line here. Heads up. There you go. And next, 3330, 3321, 3315 in line. Heads up. 3313, 3315 now starting to show up. Here it goes. There it goes. Declining. There it is. 3315 marked. Good deal. 3313 as well. 3295, 3290s are coming in now. Heads up. We already have the dead cat bounce strategy in line here, right? We know that it's going to drop to around 3071, but it's up to level 2 to tell us if we're going to actually do that or not. Uptick coming in. 3321, we're retracing back to the upside. There we go. We just got filled to the 3321s. Good deal. Nice. Stupid Bitcoin short level 3643. 2990 is a long condition in my opinion for my style. I agree. I see it in there too. George Lopez. No, that is Gal. That is not him. Oh man. There he goes, you guys. There he goes, you guys. Your 3290s coming in. It's about to get halted to the downside right now. Heads up. Dead cat bounce target located at around 3068, 3067 on discretion. Your bottom side per technicals, right, would be right down here, 2985 to 3007. Heads up. No, it's the guy from Saved by the Bell, Gal. Oh man. Oh, you're gonna make me show you this guy, bro. Hold on, man. Hold on. Oh my goodness. And then also the guy for the comedian, the dude. George Lopez, all those guys, man. Show him on the street. George Lopez is the comedian, right? And then I get compared to the other guy from Saved by the Bell. What's his name again? Mario Lopez. I get them both. Yeah, that guy. I get compared to the comedian and also get compared to the actor because of the voices, man. He did
because they look exactly alike.
No, it's not the look, bro. No one knows what I look like. What the fuck?
Dude, you look like a gay, beat up Mario Lopez.
Holy shit, man, that's fucked up. I got to Fuck, talk about buy the dip. No, I'm not a Lopez. Gal, no. I'm not a Lopez. I'm not either of the Lopezes. this guy, right, compared to the comedian from the Lopez show. Right, both of those guys have a raspy lower voice, and they're both Italians. No, they're both Latino. Right, so this guy here too. Man, no, I get confused. People confuse me with their voices all the time. But let's go ahead and pull back here into the what time is it? All right, we're under an hour from this guy's live stream, and where is it rolling to right now? Damn! It is 80,000 people on queue. What in the world is happening, guys? That is 100% absurdities. Gee, man, the shorts are getting trapped at that 32. Check it out. Right? Remember what I was telling you? We know that the target is $30, but it's up to sentiment to invalidate that and take a look at the level 2, right? So it got fucked. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, there are games playing long and short here. What's AMC doing? Is it popping off? Oh, AMC is going, boy. It's down, but it's going. Oh, damn. Let's go. AMC got a little bit of a pop right now. It's because it reached its inflection, right? Same thing with GME getting that pop. So freaking insanity up in here, man. Jessica B, what is up with you? Are you the what Danielle, is that someone from MMTOP? Plot twist. Mario Lopez is teaching us how to trade. Oh, dude. That's what I'm telling you. What if it really is? Dude, that was a massive bounce on GME. That was a massive bounce on GME. Oh my goodness, man. We literally have over 80,000 people right now holding for Roaring Kitty. We're gonna plot the levels.
Halt.
We're gonna see what's up, man. Options, was that you, buddy?
Yeah, halted.
It halted. Of course it halted. It's going up.
Halt it up this time.
Yeah, I saw that bullish engulfing counter on the 15-second chart and 30-second, and knew it was time to fucking get out of my shorts.
Yeah, me too. I was on the shorts and got out right there.
Good.
Yeah, right at the 60 or the 30-second bullish engulfing candle.
Uh-huh. Oh man, yeah.
That was where I was like, I gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna go buy now.
Yeah, that's a
Well, I
trap
haven't
zone
bought
for sure.
yet. I was about to buy, but the halt caught me. I'll see where it comes out.
Yeah.
What the heck, man? PRST popping. Holy dude, what the heck? Yeah, that guy, Jersey Recycler's right. Jessica B, you don't know what MMTOP is? Your picture kind of looks like this girl called the Syntax Queen inside of Twitter X, and she's a notable. I don't know what to call her. I don't know what to call her a personality or whatever, but yeah, she has a high influence. GameStop down. Let's see. GameStop down after announcing another share offering ahead of Roaring Kitty's live stream. Reuters, you slow ass motherfuckers! Like, you guys are out of your minds. Get out of here. Pratt was that three crows candlestick pattern on GME. I personally, the three black crows. I personally like them to be headed upwards and then downwards, right? So you're, or that would be your three white soldiers, right? No, yeah, I guess you could, but they're not similar sizes though. They're supposed to be like Marabazoo candles, right? They're supposed to be something like this. Right? It should be something like this. Like where they have like equal lengths, equal bodies. I know it's never, I know it's going to be tough for it to happen like that. It didn't take much to halt it today, am I wrong? You're not wrong, man. You're not wrong. Cause that shit started ticking up aggressively. Right, so of course they're gonna halt that shit. Let's see. I'm out with a win. This shit is fire. My bro, awesome. Oh man, you gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be careful out there, man. But yeah, what I really want to do, the reason why I'm here, is because I really want to take a look at the behavior, the psychology. I want to take a look at volatility while Roaring Kitty. Yes, it was a halt up. Was it 7% from the from the bottom tick? Let's take a look. Dead on 7.73%. Per the rules
32.
at volatility.
There's 32.03.
What's 32.03? 03.
That was the bottom before we reversed.
Oh, that was the bottom before you reversed. Gee. Okay, that's good to know. Pratt is thinking that this could be a V-shaped recovery. Well, if it continues getting halted, it makes it makes it kind of fucking difficult. But yeah, this would be a key zone for reversal. It would be I would say a local inflection. Great man already learned a shit ton in these 2 live sessions. Arca, much love for the transparency, brother. Yeah, man, I really mean it, bro. I'm gonna give out the fucking secrets. I don't give a shit how it goes, man. All these other traders, I'm not gonna give out the secrets. They're gonna. I don't give a shit, man. I just say it the way it is because you're not gonna trade it like me, and I'm not gonna trade it like you. You're gonna become your own person. It doesn't. It's not like that, you guys. You can give everybody the freaking. You can lead the horse to the water. It doesn't mean the fool's gonna drink it. You know what I mean? It really takes. It takes a different kind of person. It takes will. You know, it takes a lot. Shit. You know, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, right? It's definitely a challenge. It's not easy. You're hearing it. You're hearing it like if it were easy, you know. Or I'm kind of you know, the language that I'm expressing or the wordings and all that is very fluent, is because if I start to speak, to you, there we go. That's the unhalt gap up. They're about to gap it down and halt it again. Here we go. Oh man, talk about restriction here, bro. Let's go. Yeah, because of the short sale restriction, there's every tick to the upside is going to catch. Every tick to the upside is going to catch some type of resistance like it. For short, right? Because you're limiting up short positions. Here we go. Nice. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, that's your key bottom here, right? So far, what I freaking hope doesn't happen is another dead cat. Nice. That's ridiculous. Cool. 50% of the candle retrace. That would be around there-ish. So technically, this would be the pull here. All right, good. Nice. Good deal. Oh, OG, you the man. Oh, which reminds me of my OG. What the heck? Is my OG in here? And don't tell me that.
That's what we're talking about. He's been missing for a few days.
Yeah, dude. Also, I think he may be. Remember, bro? He was. I think his dog.
His dog was dying. Yeah.
I think he may have to put him down this week. Pratt, cup and handle. Easy to see how retail will treat you when you have the sauce. You will gather an army of soldiers at this rate. Dude, let's go. See, guys, you get the 50% retrace bounce, right? It's fuck, man. I don't mean to. I'm just telling you what happens a fucking normal time, bro. It's happening, you know. Jessica B saying at Hip Hop News Nation, I got into GME because of FOMO and the dopamine rush, but now I'm intrigued and I'm ready to learn how to do this right. Oh, that really means a lot. Coin, I'm gonna go into our thing here. Where is
somebody trading the fuck out of E-Trade?
No, it's Thinkorswim. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
My fucking computer keeps unmuting for whatever reason.
Oh, you're good.
Jessica B, it is time I summon you right there. Paul Andrew, same question, bro. Would you please tell us how do you know if you're an hour, 2 or 15-minute type of trader? Remember the filters that I was giving you earlier by cataloging if this strategy worked or if that strategy helped, like which one performed better? That's how you know. It's that you're gonna back test yourself. You're gonna find yourself as an immediate short-term trader or swing trader based on also your availability. It's what time do you have to devote to trade live? You know, are you an opening range trader, or are you the type of trader that waits for the volatility to slow down after 15 or 30 minutes, and then you take advantage of the tail end of volatility instead of the immediate? You know, there's different types all the time. And backtesting yourself and cataloging those trades is going to help you identify who you are, you know, and that's typically how it happens. So let's take a look at this. Let's see, 5-minute time frame, 35. Okay, current ATR top was 33.22. No, what the heck? That is $2.12. 536.37. Okay, so this thing reached about. Let me tell you what happened here. Okay, so this reached almost $37. Right, you're around the 36.60 level. The opening of the candle happened here at around 35.44, near 36, wherever that is. Or 35.30. Let me get the opening. I can't see it. It's 35.35. Okay, so 35.35 plus the current ATR, the average true range of a 5-minute candle is $2.12. So you would count $2.12 on a 5-minute trade to identify your resistance. And we got pretty damn close to it. So that's the average move to the upside. So the 5-minute traders are taking profit from their long. The 5-minute short traders are waiting for their top tick to short down the opposition. The reason why price action wouldn't continue to the downside is because the prior bar low. So it'll bounce there. The next move is to close this candle above the prior close and make this close as a green outside bar. And that would be a tweezer bottom formation leading to a continuation to the upside on the next candle. So you use the average true range on this time frame. So was this enough for you to make profit? Or are you an hourly trader that's going to make the hourly range as a take profit? It depends. It really depends. You know, you have to find yourself as a how are your anxiety levels? Well, this candle didn't close above the prior bar, so which is why you're getting a little bit of a weirdness here. But this is the 50% the prior bar, so there would be a bounce. Okay, so things get weird when you don't have official confirmations. Okay. Jessica. Oh, also you don't. I'm sorry. That was the Lifeline fee. You guys could still join the Arca Bulls trading team. If you're using a PC, don't use an iPhone. Okay, if you use a PC, it'll give you a discount. It'll be $9.99 monthly. So in other words, 33 cents per day. Right. But if you use your iPhone, it'll be like 13 something. They charge a huge fee on that. So there you go. So now measure the move, right? Measure the move upon the opening of the price action at 35.41 or 35.43. Sorry, 36.37. So around the 37 to 37.40 would be a resistance level for this, unless you're getting lesser volume. So if you're going to start declining volume here, then you probably are bouncing again for another dead cat. But we got to be careful. We got to just identify what the higher probabilities are. There we go. Yeah, Paul, that's crazy. So if you join the Arca Bulls team with an iPhone, it charges you $13.49. But if you join with a PC, it's $9.99 per month. Apple, bro. Apple, man, that's scheming. All right, so here we're coming up to it, guys. It's going to be around 37 something, right? But what would prevent it from continuing is, of course, the top of the prior bar high. And so far, the tweezer bottom, like we said, worked with a green outside bar. Right here we come to the resistance. Heads up around 37 to 37.40, if not 36.54. We got to break about. We got to break above it. You're welcome, Paul. David Let's Media, if you were to get in, what price would it be now or wait? Well, I am in. I'm at 39. I'm just not buying anything. I'm going to make sure to break. I'm going to break. Let's see. I want to break the resistance at, let's see. I want to break the resistance of 67. So as soon as we break that resistance and validate supports, I'm buying heavier. I buy very light. I buy very light at the bottoms, and I won't add to a loser. So I'll just buy the bottom and let it ride. Right? There could be a pullback here, team. There actually might be one, and it's actually a good thing. The reason why is because this is a pretty opportune. I think the bulls are doing this. This is a pretty opportune setup to create an inverse head and shoulders, right? You would get price action to kind of do. Sorry for the fucking crayon drawings, right? So it would probably do something like that, right? So you'll have your shoulder head down here, and that would present a bullish thesis on this, and make price head towards that upside. Very nice. So now Aaron is telling me Arca only 40,000 shares left to short as of now. That's interesting because yesterday it was fucking 0, which is very curious. Yeah. So let me take a look at Keith Gill should be on in about 36 minutes, 35 minutes, around there. It's coming up. Let's take a look at how that stream is doing now. Holy crap. Look at that. 94,700 people waiting. What in the hell are you even reading there? That fool has to change his settings. He has to put that shit on slow mode 10 minutes. Holy shit, man. Talk about full-on expansion and volatility here, man. That's wild. That is so fucking wild. Wow. Oh, man. 100K incoming for sure. Paul, a liquidity fairy? I wish I knew how to get in on it if I'm having trouble logging in to Weeble on this thing. Damn it, Freebird. That sucks, man. When is Keith Gill coming on live? Yeah, I just told you Arca never uses Arca never uses crayons. Dude, the 129.90, it didn't hit. It's well, it might not, right? I'm thinking here that they're gonna take the bulls are trying to build something here. I really think the bulls are trying to inverse their. I think the bulls are trying to inverse their head and shoulders here. So we're gonna make a smaller time frame. Okay, here's another piece of news. What the hell did it just say? GameStop files to sell an additional 75 million shares on GME stock. You guys are fucking stupid and late as shit, man. No, everyone knows that shit already. Get out of here with that late ass news, man. FUD. It's all FUD. Stop them. Somebody write a letter. All right. So, yeah, I don't know, guys, we have a little bit of a declining volume in the signature here. So that's the only reason why I'm telling you that there could be, a little bit of that curvature here, right? We're literally going to get cheek number 1 and cheek number 2 right there, right? And then there could be that support from that 34 bottom for a bounce to the upside. So let's see what's up. Oh, guys, you're still up. What are they saying? GameStop shares halted multiple times after posting early results. You know what? I think it was the best thing strategically for them to put the early results of the you know, the EPS miss, it's the best thing to do it while the Momo is hot because it won't drop that hard. GME 1 minute. Stupid Bitcoin is telling us that what 73.50 high. Let's go. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing, guys. So remember, what I'm doing here is that I want you to stream with me, right, so that we can be able to observe the levels while Roaring Kitty speaks. We're gonna track the price. We're gonna track the areas of inflection. We're gonna track the pivots, right? We're gonna make sure to note down the areas of continuation, the areas of resistance. We're gonna make sure to have this on lock, right? Okay, 30-minute cup and handle. Nice. Let's go. Where's the 30-minute cup and handle? Let's do it. Here it is. This is so ridiculous that that's a yeah, it's a 3-day bull flag. This is you know, the target that we were observing the other day. You know, it would be something like something along the lines of that right there, which is very curious because if you do this and then you put on a 4-hour and you zoom out, look at that. Right? Magic. Let's see. I feel that DFV would focus on fundamentals to set the record straight. As this could be confirmed by GME at the moment. Let's see, at the money offering, sorry. Something like balance sheet and cash getting strong. Yeah, I mean, they're plus $5 billion in cash now. Arca, let's see, actually, you didn't tell me. I just followed your buying style. Jay-Z's! Love you, buddy. Dude, Arca, your bottom price was spot on. Is everything cool? And the gang know what I mean. Yeah, absolutely. I really wanted to see the 33.99, 34. We hit 34.11, you know, on that bottom tick. I think that was, you know, an inflection point, local inflection. At least if I'm looking at it within the daily range. So if it's a daily local, it would be a weekly bottom. And the weekly bottom wasn't quite there. It's 50% the week. So, yeah, I do think that we had a pretty nice bottom sign on that. Lux is saying Ryan Cohen should really do a call with share. Oh, my goodness. Dude, that's so smart. It has been forever. That is so smart. I'm wondering if that is actually part of the plan. We get Roaring Kitty first as the primary freaking reason this thing runs to a hundo. And then Ryan Cohen comes out and speaks and this shit runs even harder. Oh, my God, dude. Or, you know, like my analysts inside of the trading team were telling me, or it could just be Jim Cramer that comes on the live stream for Roaring Kitty. So the 100,000 people waiting for waiting on cue there for Roaring Kitty, and then Jim Cramer pops up like, hey. Oh my goodness, man, that would be ridiculous. Oh, man. Yeah, you know what, CoinFox? Just like the last time, it would be amazing if we can get, you know what? I bet you we can all do it together. If we all just go on Twitter X and mention Elon, say you like the stock. He knows what the fuck that is. Say you like the stock, right? All of us fucking do that shit at one. He is bound to get that shit. There are 400 people watching me right now. You know that shit is gonna get there, right? Don't make me send all of you 400 to Jackie, right? And put right in there. Arca says to tweet Elon likes the stock. Oh my goodness, guys! Don't you ever fall in for market manipulation, right? Arca, can you talk about the current GME 4-hour candle, right? So the 4-hour candle has 28 minutes and 37 seconds to close. Let's take a look at it, right? Currently is in the shape of a spinning top doji. So spinning tops are indecision candles, are telling you that price action is hovering and it's balanced at a fair value. So if we're able to break the trend, we would really need to get above the 39.65, potentially close around 44.55 to break the indecision. That means that at the close of this candle, the opening of the next candle will have an also indecisive nature. The reason why is because of deep fucking value. In 28 minutes, the next candle opens. In 28 minutes, he goes on. That's the 4-hour close. It is a critical closure on a day trader. Usually, I am out of any trade at the 4-hour close. I don't want any part of it. Why? Because that's NYSE lunch. That's when the institutional guys leave for lunch. They are not at the desk. This is one massive plan, bro. Like, I'm not expressing to you every single little detail that I have under my bag of tricks here, right? So I'll just pull them out as they become relevant or appropriate. Right? Jay-Z's my bro. I fucking love you, man. Dude, come on by. I'm gonna give you a free month. Because that's literally what it costs. It's 33 cents per day. You just dropped your quarter inside of the booth, inside of the bus for the Arca Bulls trading team for 30 days. Come on by. I love you, buddy. Yeah, when you arrive on the landing pad, just mention me. I'm not sure if you're interested on that, buddy, but I'll go ahead and give it to you. Paul Andrews saying which they'll skip. Which will skip lunch and watch Roaring Kitty. You know the bosses at Citadel and Virtue and Citron, all the freaking prop traders are over there like, oh, let's watch Roaring Kitty. Let's watch Roaring Kitty. Motherfuckers are getting suspended every day for this shit. Nice, man. Nice. Good call out on that, bro. Dude. Yeah, wicked. That's my thesis. Is that he's doing it at a moment of weakness, but still the algorithms are still set in place. The volatility metrics on the lulled orders are still in place. There's nothing that's gonna stop the price from getting halted. The algorithms can do that all by themselves. But I will say that it doesn't have many people managing it at that moment, unless they really just put somebody there and say, bro, you're skipping lunch today. Sorry, but yeah. So screw you. So, there's a bunch of theories on this, but yes, I do believe that he was waiting for the 4-hour close on purpose. I do think that he was waiting for the NYSE lunch on purpose. I don't think that anything he is doing is random. I am at the point to where I am observing every single word. I am paying attention to every single little thing without, with keeping under consideration to not overanalyze something, right? Got to keep that under heavy consideration here, knowing this guy. He's not a dumb guy. He's fucking bright. So, and he's really witty. So if for my higher IQ people out there, keep that under heavy consideration, right? It's just a heavy IQ person plus the trade knowledge. That's really when you're gonna have someone to be like, okay, wait, that's a signal, that's a sign, this is that, whatever. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm saying for us to pay attention to every little single detail, because thus far the per se quote unquote premonition is still in line and is still very much active, and it is absolutely going. Pratt saying SPY and QQQ could provide needed collateral for meme stocks. I see. Yes, as SPY and QQQ test the new highs, so swing up and down as possible. What do you say? If he starts, hold on, just a little bit of piece of news here. I'm gonna answer that. Hold on. Roaring Kitty live stream. GameStop shares fall ahead of Keith Gill's YouTube return. Watch out, Market Watch, because that shit is gonna fucking land in your face if you're a short, right? So, yeah. I think, I think. Well, as of the last 2 weeks, there has been a deeper correlation in the 90th percentile of correlation coefficient between GME and the SPY. Of course, Big Tech has something to say with that. It's just I've noticed a deeper correlation with the S&P 500. AMC going up, says Lux. So the problem with the thesis is that as soon as Deep fucking Value Roaring Kitty starts speaking, all of the short term, the immediate short term technicals can be thrown out the fucking window. So you're gonna have to identify what psychology is based on standard deviations. So if you have a standard deviation of X based on a hourly candle, then like what's the viewership? It's a big fucking algorithm, right? But you would have to figure out what the viewership is and how that would multiply into an average of a 4-hour close. So if we I guess the measure or the standard rule for me would be twice the prior candle. So if we have twice the prior candle, it doesn't mean that it would be twice the size necessarily. It never is, right? But it's just to speculate here. But yeah, it would be twice the candle would be a resistance of the 1.618, the 7273 that we spoke of last night. So there's confluence within the targets, even geometrics, right? So behavior would suggest the reversion to the mean, or I'm sorry, yeah, actually, it probably would be. Let me see. 32 is the mean. Let me see the daily. Hold on. 27 upper band. The upper bands. Let me see on a weekly. That would be really interesting if we caught that. I'm basically looking for bullshit now, but it's hold on. 114,000 people waiting on the on cue for Roaring Kitty. We're gonna plot those levels out as we go. We're gonna be good. We are gonna be good.
Buying?
What's up, buddy?
Are those 140,000 people buying?
114.
114.
What if it does, bro? What if it does, man? This is gonna be a really interesting situation. But so far, yeah, so far the thesis read correctly, right? We got that 50% pullback from prior day's close, prior day's range.
Here we go.
That thing's going 37.56, man. It's nice. Okay, no, not on that time frame. Let me see the 12-hour. Oh no, that's dope. Yeah. Oh, that is absolutely awesome. We were measuring the 12-hour play yesterday. This is where we were in. The 12-hour upper band of the 2 standard deviation multiplier, 68.51. Where are my targets? 64.83 to 72.65. The center of my range, 68. Wait. Where's the center of my range? 68.58 is the center. Is the 50% of my range here, and the upper band. The statistics are saying 68.57. Get the fuck out of here. 1 penny off again, motherfucker. Bring the targets down a penny. Nice, man. Yeah, dude, look at this thing tick up as we get closer to Roaring Kitty's stream. There are now, let's take a look at the screen here. There are now 119,700 people waiting. Look at the fucking rate of change right now on the people talking, guys. Damn, bro. If this guy says he's gonna exercise his fucking shares, this thing is gonna blow up to fucking $300. Holy shit, man. Why are so many people there? That's so awesome. GME broke, spike up on the 5-minute time frame, testing the 37.36 price level. Thank you, Zoe. Damn, bro. Look at all the FFIEs going on in there. I'm telling you, man. You have HODL, you have FFIE, you have HODL, you have FFIE. We're here for fucking GME. What the fuck is going on, right? FFIE is literally getting pumped. Oh, dude. This is, guys, I love what we're doing here because this is 2021 all over again. The happy meter for Fern 5. Check that one out, you guys. This is the happy meter right now. Let's go. Oh my goodness, man. That is absolutely powerful. 122,000, bro. It broke the 120K level. Arca, your boy Jackie said to strap in. That's what I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you guys, this motherfucker, all he has to do is literally fart in that fucking microphone and this thing's gonna fucking rocket ship. It's just a thesis, right? But I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh my goodness, the anxiety. You could feel the anxiety right now present. It's fucking massive. It is massive. We're gonna stream the shit out of this, guys. So fucking let me get the link ready. Yeah, I'm gonna get the link ready right now because we're gonna be starting the stream in about 18 minutes, and we're gonna plot the targets as we go, listening to Keith Gill himself. Man, that's, I don't know, man. Oh, thanks, Gray Man. Appreciate you, buddy. Kex 2021, but no COVID. The joke's on them. Damn, guys, this is absolutely cool, man. This is so fucking cool to be together here and kind of listen in on this fucking legend, bro. He has literally taken at some point in his life now because of that where did we hit, right? All the way to $68. Dude, this guy has taken $53,000 to fucking $900 million, bro. What a fucking goat. What a fucking legend, man. That is the shit. That is absolute power, man. Right now, Aaron is saying today $1,000 close. Anxiety, says Jay-Z's, hell no. No emotions. All profits. All green. Moonshots. Third fucking moon from Saturn. Europa. We coming. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, guys, the tape is still. And the 4-hour close is coming in. Let's take a look at it, right? 4-hour close. Presently 16 minutes and 34 seconds and counting. Looking good. Oh, right. I got to get the fucking link ready. Guys, don't fuck me up. I got to get the link ready. Let's see. Okay, here we go. The hell just happened? Let me refresh Roaring Kitty Poo. Here we go. 131,000 and climbing. Oh, man. If that's not power, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. That is power. That's ridiculous power. My fucking computer is gonna melt. Pratt, love you, buddy. Thank you so much for your dono, bro. That really means a lot. Furry Q pause. 131,000. Yeah, it's climbing. No trust, don't believe. If GME goes to the moon, I have a blue label waiting for me to celebrate. Let's go. I have a green apple crown next to me. Can't do it. I fucking threw up this morning. I feel bad. Fuck that bullshit. I am not a drinker either. I literally have electrolytes next to me, man. Boy! Oh man, this is gonna be nuts. All right, let's get that link ready. Let me go to the browser function here. We're gonna get this thing going. Yeah, I know what to do. I'm gonna have it as a half pane. I'm gonna have it as a half pane here on the display so that we all can see it and listen and also go over the price action as it happens. So analyst reading, right? So data reading while he speaks is what we're gonna do. That's the edge. So we're gonna catch that here live. Make sure to bring your mom. Make sure to bring your sister, your brother, your cousins. Bring the fucking dogs here, man. They all gonna win. Let's see. Okay. Was FFIE majorly shorted also or something? The implied volatility on the options contracts. Oh my goodness, man. That is actually kind of low. It was at 1,000 yesterday, double X. Tonka is saying, well, it's, I don't know if you were here earlier, but check this out. Billy Mack. Hold my cat, Roaring Kitty. Oh my God, I like this stock, Blue Reef. What if he says that? What if he says that at the open? My bro's gonna fucking send it. My bro's gonna send that shit. Oh my goodness. 4 hour 5 EMA acting as support. Let's fucking go. Yeah. Okay, so FFIE. I don't know if you were catching this earlier, but you know what? Now that I'm prepping the stream here, I'm going to display something to you, right? So let me just put it up here. We're going to identify the size of the stream. There we go, right? So we can bring it down like this, right? Hold on. Okay, hold on. I need to interact with the software. Hold up. Okay. It's counting live. There we go. Okay, so what I want to show you, so JD Nettles, what's up, buddy? Freebird. Hold on, who was it that I was just talking to? Let's see. Somebody asked me about FFIE getting. Oh, there we go. Tonka, that's you. So, Tonka, what I was going to show you is let me just get rid of this for now. Okay. Yeah. So what I wanted to show you is this. So let me pull you into the stream as a whole. Damn it. Sorry, guys. As a whole stream. Here we go. It would be right here. Okay. So, like we were observing the level 2 data earlier, right? But what I mean by level 2 is this over here. The bid and ask orders. When we were at max volatility, this was going super fast. So one of the ways to approach sentiment is to observe a stream like this one, like that we're about to see. Take a look at the rate of change on the comments coming in. FFIE, right? Keep on catching it. You'll see words in there, right? You'll see the words like hodl and go and LFG, and then you'll fucking catch a little bit of a fucking AMC and GME, and then FFIE will pop out again. You know, so it's running a little bit slower than it was earlier, but as you start to catch look FFIE again, right? As you start to catch those words, you start to see a pattern. So in Zach, right? All of those things, those are going to be stocks that are going to be tied. Look, another FFIE, right? Those are going to be the stocks that are going to be tied to the movement of GME. So these look like HODL. You have hold there. You have moon, right? Let's fucking go. So when you have all that sentiment within the assets that they're talking about, that's the institution observing your behavior, FFIE. So they're going to pull the trickery out on those. They're going to pull the trickery out on those assets, right? So I want to give you some tricks and stuff, right? So this is cyber warfare in a sense, right? Retail versus institutional bullshit. It's crazy, man. It's absolutely insane. Civil war coming with this and Trump stuff. Oh my goodness, I know. What little all natural? What's up? Good to see you again. I'm doing well. We're just trying to see what's up with this fucking roaring kitty speaking all this silliness. Oh, I actually saw that you said hi to Zeph the other day. I'm super happy to see you. I hope everything is well with you. Let's fucking go, right? Guilty Gunner saying Civil War coming. Yeah, gotcha, buddy. Let's see. Star Jam, Arca call, NASA, tell them we coming. It's gonna be the fucking fifth moon from Saturn, bro. Europa. Let's go. Dude. Back Alley's cam chat saying, dude. Bruh. I know that type of answer, man. Pratt, man, this GME options chain is so lit, overpriced. They seem, guys, if you own more than 100 shares, if you have like 200 shares, you could literally be making bank off of those covered calls. If you sell to open, baby. Collect those fucking premiums, man, because those premiums, especially on those fucking June 21st, right? 35 strikes, 40 strikes, 20 strikes, all of those are probably giving you insane premiums. So if you were just, you have the fucking legal right to collect those, to package those 100 shares that you own, right? Package them into a nice little neatly packaged options contract, right? Give somebody the opportunity to bet the upside. So what you do, right? What you do is that as soon as you're ready to press that sell to open, wait for the uptick, right? You want to wait for price action to move up, right? As soon as it starts upticking, right? As soon as it goes up, sell that fucker right at that point, and that's going to be your FOMO buying your premium, right? So that's the way to take advantage of your hundreds and hundreds of shares. Guys, you could be breaking even, or you could also be bringing your cost average on those shares down to a zero, right? If you play it well. Do you know who else did that? Deep fucking Value. He did that shit on the way up on the February 2021 run. He in fact, if you guys were watching, if you guys know the data, right? He realized around $3 million of gain from those shares. He packaged them into options contracts and sold them. There you go. 125 strikes, bro. 177,000 waiting now. Oh, man. I can't believe the volatility coming in. You guys, we are literally 7 minutes away from hearing the legend himself. I am so stoked to see what the hell is going to happen here, man. This is going to be a run. This is going to be a bank run, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, man. This is going to be absolutely insane. Let's see. Taking a look at guys, for those of you who just joined the Lifeline team, just hold off a bit, right? For those of you who hit this link in particular, hold off a bit. We're still live here, right? You're experiencing everything that the Arca Bulls trading team is experiencing is the same way, right? So just hold off for me. I'll assign your I'll throw you the lifeline when we stop the stream or whatever, and I'll get you into the Arca Bulls trading team, into the trading room a little later. Okay, just hold off for now. For those of you who just purchased, I'm getting the emails here that I see you there. Okay, I just want to let you know that I see you, and I will assign it as soon as I'm out. Okay, you guys, so this is specifically for the Lifeline team. If you're in the Discord and decide to just become part of the team on a monthly basis, that's you. You don't need to wait for me on that. That assigns you naturally, okay? So, yeah, let me just go ahead and pull this on back and take a look at Roaring Kitty's stream. Let's see what it's doing. Here we go. And let's pop open this. We are over 200,000 people. Holy God, bro. Apes together strong. All the fucking Planet of the Apes shit's coming out again. The fucking Mark Wahlberg is going to go to the moon. Fucking. Jeez. Damn, talk about hype, bro. Talk about for real hype. Okay, we're about 5 minutes out. I'm going to go ahead and just start adding the I'm going to start adding it into here now. Okay, guys, hold up. Here it is. Where's the browser function? Here we go. Oh my goodness, bro. That is just so freaking wild. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let me prep this whole thing, guys. Okay, can you guys see the price? Can you see the price? The level 2 and the stream? Oh, dude, I know he does have more than okay. Yeah. Way more than mainstream media is the attention that he's getting on his stream. Oh my goodness. Okay, good. You guys can see that, right?
3 minutes.
Ian,
It's gonna dump like 30 points.
damn, imagine that's gonna be the by the dip, bro. Holy shit.
That'd be
people.
awesome.
Yeah. All right, let's see this. Okay. How long will the lifeline be available? I don't know. Ian, Turbo, I got Turbo. Don't worry, my brother. I got you. Dude. Bro, you're a master student. Like I know I get it. I'm still waiting for you, but you want to do that. So I got you. Don't worry. I got you, buddy. Okay. Right. So let me just take a look at the other screen here and see how it's doing overall, which is this side. Here we go. 260,000 and climbing. GME 2.0. Let's fucking go. Dude, that would be so funny if it's Kramer, man. Dude, here's another piece of news. Here's another piece of news coming out. Let's just come on back onto this side. GameStop shares tumble ahead of Roaring Kitty's live stream, WSJ. Guys, these news wires, the fucking Market Watch, Reuters, they're all just kind of giving the inverse narrative right now. Guys, we are 50 seconds away from fucking history. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen here, you guys. This is 100% powerful. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, my goodness. I don't believe this is actually going to happen. 25 seconds. Dude, he's definitely going to be late. Okay, here we go. Now we're just waiting for the kitty.
285.
Heads up, you guys.
300. Just past 300.
Oh, nice. So, guys, remember, analysts, remember your voice is now coming through live to the through the stream that's giving the sound for YouTube, for that browser function that I have, the browser feature. So heads up on that. Your voices will topple the sound of Roaring Kitty. Come on, boy. I knew he was going to do this shit as anticipation. It's at 320,000. Smokescreen just let us know. It's running to 38.35 now. Looking good. Yeah, we're hovering around supports here. Oh my goodness, man. 343. You see that, Smoke? Guys, look at the freaking views. The waiting people, 343,800 and climbing.
It's squeezing, man. It's squeezing.
369, dude. Yeah, look. Everybody's commenting on that too. No way this fool reaches 1 million watchers today.
It's dumping.
Let's go.
Yep, it's the delay's dumping it.
Seriously.
People are so fickle, man. People are dumping. Like, oh.
It's our lives are over.
Oh boy.
Everybody's talking right there. I like this talk. They want him to say it. Damn, this motherfucker's gonna spring it. Oh, dude, this guy's he knows his fucking game, bro. He knows his fucking game. He's really doing this shit on purpose. But then low-key in the background. No.
If it cancels the stream, it said, it's gonna dump hard.
Oh my goodness. Dude, look at that decline on that. People are just like, bro, 413,000 just broke it. It's about to reach 500,000 people.
I think he's gonna wait for like 1 million. Watch.
Dude, that's a really good. I don't know how.
I don't know how it didn't halt. It dropped to 500,000 on a 1 minute candle.
It's about to halt.
halted
It's
down.
about to halt.
Yeah, it's the thing is already
right now.
crippled. The level 2 is already crippled. It's dark. Yeah, it's done. That thing is it's dead stopped.
That's dead. Yeah, it's gonna halt.
Let me see the next
It got
number.
back.
Oh, they saved it. They saved it.
What?
They saved it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was
But
able
it's gonna
to.
dump. This
It
is
was able
dumping.
to satisfy the imbalance by itself. I mean, dude, it's lunchtime, so the algorithm has to try to fix it by itself. Unless like I said, right, they got that one dude over there
Okay,
missing
now
lunch.
there it is. Got it.
There he goes. Now it's fully
Now it
halted.
halted.
7?
Down 35.12.
Finally. So
Yeah.
now he's gonna get live right now, probably.
You got a sell order coin at 23? A buy order?
Damn. The 29.90 would be like a psychological bottom. The 30.
If he wanted to,
make it delay this to make it dump and buy it in, and then come on, and then sell.
In all honesty,
if he wanted to move this up, he would go live right now.
Dude,
He's
it
wanting
just-
to move it down to buy in more.
It just hit 453,100.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's gonna crash that stream. Watch.
Oh, bro.
Imagine if it crashes that.
I watched these other guys. Not a trading group. It's the Y-Files. I fucking love them, bro. And when they
look at those comments.
when they stream live, they actually have about 1 million people watching.
That is one of my favorite YouTube channels.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I fucking love the Y-Files, bro. So,
Oh yeah.
and especially when they
Remember
do their,
DeSantis and with Elon,
it's dude.
they crashed the thing.
Oh, they did. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Man, the anxiety is going fucking insane
Talking
right
about
now.
Dogecoin when he came on Saturday Night Live.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, when
that's
he-
right.
Oh yeah.
That was it. Dude, you remember that. Good catch. I don't even know the last time I remember you mentioning it recently too, but dude, it's just such a small detail.
Yeah, it looks like the same thing's happening.
What did you say about the what? Let me see. Hold on, guys. Great kids. I'm sorry. Remind me again. What did I say about the 12 and the MM again? What?
Yeah.
Beware of the crab roaring kitty. What the hell, you guys? This is just.
What's the exact time of the halt?
Oh, dude, I don't know. I don't know. Damn.
This one's gonna be longer.
1202. 1202.36.
Thank you.
You're gonna, yeah, dude, because I'm not seeing the level 2. It's not giving me the data.
Yeah, I know this sucks. That usually gives us the price we're gonna come back at, but it's not today.
It doesn't start for an hour. No.
No, it's right now.
It says
Right there,
on
9
my end. On my end, it says 9 a.m. Pacific.
It's starting. It's supposed to start.
Sub is telling you that it was
He ain't gonna come back in during a halt.
12:02
For sure.
p.m. Eastern. Yeah, I know, dude. I bet you people are just gonna stay there. As long as that shit is there, people are just gonna stay. What if he announces his own stock market? Market of the people, by the people. Dude, that'd be so funny.
Wasn't that Lou's idea?
Was it really?
Yeah.
Hello, Kitty. Come on, man. Thank you, Sub. Thank you for that information.
Driving me nuts, man.
Bearish engulfing 4-hour close. Damn. I don't see it as a bearish, buddy.
I don't have a position, so I don't care. I'm just waiting.
I have a
Where it
heavy
goes, I
short
can get it.
position.
You're heavy short right now?
Yeah, very heavy. 5,000 shares.
Cool.
Get the
I'm just
opportunity to
waiting
the
to see
people.
where it goes, and I'm gonna get in. Yeah.
I'm buying these back as soon as it's done halting.
Immediately, bro. That's
Yeah.
going to be a fucking gap down and it's going to be an immediate gain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, dude. Come on, man. Come on, man. He's pulling a fucking Arca. Rory Kitty Cat finding his bandana. Guys, don't have your fucking life savings. There it is, the unhauled. Buddy. You said yes. Did you hear that shit just go? Come on, man. How many viewers are we seeing now? Let me see. And it is definitely hitting 464,000, bro. What the hell, man? Yeah, that's hella, bro. Look at that retrace on that. That's really fucked up right there, man. That was $33 to $35 was a fucking massive fuck up. Come on, Kitty. So far, it's. Let me refresh this thing. I wonder if it's already at a. Yeah, it's still hovering at a 463. It's still hovering at 463,000 people. You're
Halted up.
bro, you're going fucking insane.
I fucking love it. I fucking love it.
It's halted, right?
Just
Yeah.
options is just like mad trading that can degen right now.
It literally,
I don't have a halt yet.
it halted up.
It's-
And,
Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. 11.
yeah, it halted up, and I'm on. I got 2,000 shares in right now on this long, so
Oh my
I'm selling
God,
these
fool.
as soon as it's done halting.
2,000 shares is what you
Yeah.
got.
Yeah.
120921.
You hear that, guys? The boy in here, one of the analysts, is long 2,000 shares right now. Oh, boy. What'd you say? Smoke.
Just-
Oh, the halt is 120921.
These candles are so big on the
The
30-second chart that I
Oh.
literally need to move the screen every time it starts
Look,
starts going up or down. These
Look
are
at-
massive candles.
Yeah, look
Dude.
at the 1 minute.
check out my screen in the thesis of creating the inverse head and shoulders.
Oh wow.
Let's fucking go, right? Trickery.
Yeah, those 1 minute candles are massive.
Yeah.
AMC halted too.
LPA halted down. It got down this morning like $60.
I hope he gets on right now. I'm fucking, I'm long. Come on, I hope he gets on right now and says hello. And this will gap up so high,
Yep.
it'll be unbelievable.
See, options gets it. That's what I'm fucking telling the team out there in YouTube. I'm telling them that, bro, like as soon as this guy fucking farts and he's using psychology right now, coming in fucking mad late, watch this, we'll just wait a whole day. As soon as he fucking says that shit, oh man, this motherfucker will pop.
Mm-hmm.
Motherfucker just never comes
Coin
on.
Fox.
Mm-hmm.
Where the
And then
fuck
it's
is
going to dump.
Coin, where the freaking hell are you at? He's down there, like
What's the current halt time?
120921.
I need another screen.
12. Dude, if you get the, I think that if you get the new Samsung 54-inch curves, I think you can have like 3 splits of screens with 3 different outputs for your graphics card on one screen. So they'll all act independently as 3 screens with one fucking massive wide curve. Because right now my 49 Evo, the Evo G9s, I have this, those split into 227 inches with 2 different independent outputs for the cables, and I can have 2 different 27-inch screens per the 49s, right? So I have 2 49s and I have 4 fucking 27s.
Okay. Yeah, I just booted up my other computer. I got two computers here now running.
Yeah. All right, bro. You're gonna have to fucking host the Arca Bulls team, the fucking proprietary trading floor from Aspen, California. Let's go.
Aspen, California.
Aspen, California.
Where's that?
That's the ghetto side of the real Aspen.
That's the real Aspen?
That's the real Aspen, bro. It's located just south of Compton.
Oh man, that's not good.
Bro, I'm telling them where you're at. You know, you're in the middle of the jungles. It's still halted, bro.
Mm-hmm.
He's still not talking, man. Come on, I want to get these targets, bro. I just want him to speak. We have a fucking we have an inverse head and shoulders, all validated as fuck here. Let's get that target first. Here we go. This is gonna be
amazing.
Could actually be here-ish. 45.65 on a 5-minute trend.
Which is exactly the 200, dog.
Damn.
So, at what point does he not show up in this? I'm not saying it's not going to happen or that he's not going to show up, but
I bet you the longer it takes. Citron.
Andrew Left is on CNBC right now.
Andrew who?
He's heavily short the stock.
That guy's gonna get. Here we go. Oh shit!
Yes, Candy.
Nice.
That fool bought the dip.
Find the dip.
Oh, dude.
There we go.
CNBC interviewing the short seller of GME while Kitty is silent. Dude, that short seller is, I bet you he's short from fucking $18. My homeboy is losing his house today.
No, he's short from 60.
He's short from 50? That's what he wants you to know, man. That guy was short on GME. That same guy was short on GME when it was at fucking $20 in February 2021. Good God, that fool doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. Fucking damn it, man. What the hell's going on over there?
I'm sorry.
It was like me yesterday. Order field.
It's the mad volatility.
Sounds like a fucking slot machine paying out.
It actually is, dude.
I'm short. I am short from 39.
Let's go. AMC coming down to it also is looking like an inverse head and shoulders too.
There it is.
We break 32.40. It's lights out.
Hold on.
Fuck.
All right, let's go. Let's see. Yeah, it's on short. Both of AMC and GME are on short sale restrict. You're doing top ticks, right? Yeah. It's still, dude. It's ranging. It's really just chop box. Oh. Oh, shit. Good. Damn, probably, bro. Kitty stream. Oh, nice. What? The stream is dropping in numbers? Let's take a look. $449. Well, this is numbers that this high are gonna be fucking super sensitive. It's like going 300 miles an hour on a regular car, and then you like turn left a little bit. That shit gets all wobbly. You know. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what I mean. On a normal ass car, imagine fucking Nissan Sentra over there, 200 miles an hour. Oh, dude. People are starting to mention XRP. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, nah. 35 minutes late. He's 18 minutes late. Oh, dude, he has a 23. I had a 29.90. Yeah, that guy. That guy just that guy in the tweets. I'm sorry, in the comments in the chat section, he said he's pulling the 30-minute walk-in. Yeah, dude. If he's watching his watchers, he'll notice that he had a resistance at 464,000, and you're down 20,000 now. So if that's he's balanced though. He's balanced at 443. So if he keeps it here, if he keeps it for him to bottom, I don't think he. Oh. Yeah, that would just have a more parabolic upside. We can all just not watch him, and then he'll be like, oh shit, I should come on. Yeah, I know. Dude. Come on, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, damn. Yo, I'm noticing that the I'm noticing that that's when the chat rate increases in speed, the level 2 does too. What the fuck is going on? You catch anomalies, bro, when you're observing like these ridiculous hundreds of dude, these are millions of participants right now. Like, I mean, somebody just said earlier, Gal said that we're running 6 streams. Like, there are people running 6 streams out loud right now. That means that we're definitely way above 1 million watching, bro. Wow. I just want to present the service, bro. I just want to provide the service here. Wow. Already. That looks like a little hammer candle. Careful, guys. He's probably being probably. On another chat, they said that they're trying to stop him from fucking what? I'm alive, dude. Fucking double X in here. He'll tell you to stop. He'll be like, crypto, hey, crypto, stop. My bro feels for him. Oh, dude. Gal, that's what's up. Come on, man. We got to get this guy to speak right now so I can provide the fucking levels. Somebody fucking text him. Come on, man. We literally have the entire fucking team waiting. And I'm not joking, bro. I'm really not joking, man. Come on, let's go. Oh, so Big Haynes is saying, yeah, dude, this is definitely a DOS attack or something. They're so scared. I didn't think YouTube was going to allow him to do the stream. He should have never. What would you? I mean, you think the pre-scheduling was the thing? Yeah. I often do things like that myself. There is a purpose why I usually announce my personal streams, like 20 minutes to 15 minutes prior to that, because I don't want people to have the time to scope, especially with, dude, I've been attacked, right? And I don't have anywhere near a following like Roaring Kitty does, nothing like that. But I have been completely attacked. I've been, my live streams have been spammed. I've had to take security measures, right? Hire outside teams to mitigate the security process while I'm streaming, like fucking bodyguards. I'm not joking. I've had to spend money on that shit. And like fucking real money. Like it's not fucking cheap. Like I'm talking about dudes who are out there putting code so that they can combat whatever code is trying to go against my shit, fucking running me $300 a fucking stream. Bro. So damn, bro. This is insane. Roaring Kitty party last night with Garfield and Hello Kitty. Oh, dude. Or they operate his account. Right. Calm down. That was actually, yeah. Diana, thank you. Oh, damn, dude. Guys, this was a downside halt. This is probably going to, yeah, it's halting. It's still ticking. It's still ticking. Yeah. It's bottlenecking. It's about, there we go. Done. Because the upside is just as probable too. We can't see the fucking bid and ask. They took that away. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go at the halt. At the halt. At the fucking halt. Say the time again. Say the exact time of 12:24:44. Fucking dude, the 30-minute. Oh shit. Let's go. Bro, this thing's gonna pop open. Get your fucking orders ready. Let's fucking go. Bro. Fucking done. Let's go. This is gonna fucking pop open. Cheers.
Dude, this is the event of the last 3 years right here.
Fuck yeah, it is. No fucking way. He's on. No fucking way. That's the boy. That's the fucking boy. That's the fucking boy.
Wow, he looks backed up, man.
He's fucking fat off of that fucking.
Whistleblower.
He looks like he ate himself.
Dude, look at my bro.
He's got a broken arm with somebody busting him up, dude.
He's got a broken arm, bro. They fucked him up before coming on live. Dude, wait for him to say the fucking word. Wait for him to say the fucking word.
You gonna watch that shit spike?
That shit's gonna go to
unhalt before
guys.
he says anything.
He's waiting for
This
it to
shit's
halt, yeah.
this shit's probably gonna go to fucking 40 at the open of this fucking candle. Let's fucking go. Let's see what's the primary resistance right now. We're looking at about 48.81. Let's mark it. Let's mark our tops. Dude, this guy's fucking out of control. Oh my god, dude.
Oh shit. Oh, am I okay? Oh shit. Oh, that was a close call. I don't even shit set up there. Oh.
It was really you, motherfucker. Let's go.
Help. Send help. Send help. Can y'all hear me right now?
The fuck?
I kind of forget how to do this. I kind of tested it. Can you hear me? I can't keep up with this chat. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay. I mean, I can't read this chat. The chat.
I know, bro. Slow that shit
You can
down.
hear me. Oh, excellent. I had to dust this shit off to get this working. Oh, he brought me back to life with the chat. It's like a...
Let's fucking go.
Oh, shit.
It's going. Oh, fuck.
Kinda.
Bro, 37,
Kinda.
37.65. Let's go.
Kinda. What's
I
up,
thought it was gonna
everybody?
I thought it was 40
I'm looking
seconds.
around. I gotta make... I feel like it's working, but I haven't done it in so long. I think it's working. I see you can hear me. It looks like it's going okay. So I think we can get it.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm legit looking at the chat here just to see. Okay, all right, I think it's working. I think it's working. Honestly, I can't believe that shit. I thought for
so
sure
good.
I would fuck it up somehow. Welcome everybody. Happy Friday. Oh shit, I didn't even pour the beer yet, but that's okay. I got a beer. You know, I know it's the middle of the afternoon here, right? It's Friday. It's 5
like
o'clock
always,
somewhere. It's not 5 o'clock here, but it's about to be.
Shit. Dude, what
Oh shit! Wait, do I gotta wear this shit the whole time? I don't think there's no YouTube rules like whatever your drip is when you start, you gotta keep rocking it. I'm pretty sure there's no way that's a rule. I mean, I'll keep it up for now because
Over 600
cheers, everybody!
Cheers.
Let's go!
This fool.
Oh shit! Look at this. It's going up. I can say that, right? Can I say that?
Can you say that?
Can I say it's going up?
It's
Is that
fucking
okay? Is that
going to
okay?
the moon,
Look,
bitch.
I can't keep that going over. I think I can say that. Cheers. Crazy stuff going on these days, huh?
Shit, I thought it was
Crazy
49,
stuff.
sorry.
Can you believe it's me? Can you believe it? Because it kind of looks like a lot of people don't. So I figured I'd pop in here, say what's up, everybody. I hope everyone's doing good. I know it's not the usual time of the stream, but figured I'd see what's going on, check in, how everyone's doing.
Dude. It's fucking insane.
No real game plan here. Just wanted to hop in, see what's popping. Damn.
Oh my God,
Yo, there's
bro.
mad heads in here. God damn. All right. Okay, yeah, so I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a few years now. I hope y'all are good. We've been doing okay here, hanging in there. This, you may not, I mean, I was just messing around with this. This isn't a real bandage. This isn't a real, what do you call this, a splint? Is that the word? It's not real. I'm messing around right now. I'm messing around, okay? So other than this other than this, we're doing okay here, right? It's been a crazy. Well, first, I mean, it's been a crazy few years, right? It's been a crazy couple of months too. Oh,
it's halted.
shit.
It's halted down.
Yeah, bonkers. I wanted to. Oh, here, let me just close.
3207.
He still has a
Oh,
same
it's pretty
chair.
good to be back, you know? I kind of forgot. You kind of forget what it feels like after it's been so long. Huh? I hope... before I get started here, I feel like, what is it, Ocean's 12? Like, how many espressos do you have? 5. That's me right now, you know? But now you got to make the switch. You know, you do the little pre-gaming. You do the pre-gaming action, which in my case might be some coffee or some espresso or something. But I think it's time to make a switch, all right? So I don't know what type of beer you think I'd be going for today, but I mean, maybe this isn't the right day to do it. I mean, I hope, can I do this? Can I show this?
Got the
Oh, you
fucking
can't
lager.
see it! You can't see it! Oh, can you guess what beer that is? Can you get...
Don't
Can
tell
you
me it's
guess?
Coors Light,
That's a
baby.
hint that you can't see it. Oh, I should have tested that. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, shit. Let's see if you...
My
Oh,
bro's
you see it?
popping a
Oh,
Boasty
they
Live.
see it!
Idiot.
I mean, I'm not cut up with the chat, but at least I can see y'all scrolling through there. Green. It's green.
Being halted now.
Because... All right, so it's green, right? But go Celtics, all right?
All right.
Go Celtics. We
I
won
wasn't gonna
last
say this, but
night,
let's make
all
it a little
right?
bit bigger.
I'm pulling for them. I guess it's not a green day here, right? But this is the finals, baby. To start off the series with that shit, come on, let's pour it. Let's pour this. Let's start it off right. Like I said, 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, Carlsberg is actually a good guess. That's actually a good guess. That's a green one too. Rolling Rock. Go Celtics. Let's go. See, I can't keep up with the chat, but I can look over. Sorry, I'm new to a lot of people being here, right?
What? Oh.
But at least I can catch some of your
Yeah,
things.
he didn't have that many people before.
All right, let's pour this in here. My buddy. Oh, can you see this if I pour it all the way in there? I should have
There
showed
we
you
go.
before I poured this shit. My buddy hooked me up.
That's
With
code,
some-
guys. That is code.
Oh, you
He's
can't
talking
see
let's
it.
pour.
Oh, you can't see it. Maybe when the head pops up. Hold on. Let me just pull that up here, huh? Man, I kind of screwed up the pour there. That's okay. Okay, I'm doing it with one hand. Also, I'm sorry. I mean, I was late, but you try starting a stream rocking this. You know, I mean, I'm doing it. I'm trying to do it opposite here. All right? Sorry about that. All right, I'm not
Did you
for
hear
real.
Green Rocks?
I think I
No
gotta
way.
take this off. It says that's with my head. I feel like I'm actually injured or something. How do I do that? All right, let's do that. Whew. Whew. All right, let's pop that off. Whew. Oh shit! It stuck to my hair.
I'm gonna diminish the screen as soon as he
Okay.
starts talking real shit, and then we're gonna look at the prices
Pop
because
that
for now
over
it's
there.
just all Momo or it's all FOMO.
Getting kinda-
Momo, FOMO,
It's getting kind of warm
Momo.
in here too, but I don't. I mean, now you know I was just messing around. I don't need this ice pack. I got this ice pack just in case. I mean, it is getting a little bit warm. But again, I was just messing around. I don't actually need it. But if I get too hot, let's hope the beer cools me down. Yeah. So what's up, everybody?
Shit.
I gotta be. Do I have to be careful what I say here? I'm not really sure. I don't know. But I did want to hop on the stream here. I mean, you've seen. I mean, some of you have seen. I've been back, kind of active for a few months. But I did want to. Oh wait, let me just do this over here.
I'm so glad he's confirming that was him. Fucking crazy ass.
Figured I'd check in. This is me, by the way. I see a lot of question marks. Oh, is he back? Is it someone else? I mean, can you tell? Can you tell it's me now?
No,
I mean,
it's him.
what weirdo spends their free time working on memes? You know, like could you someone else? Is someone else doing that? You know, I own it. I own it.
Let's go.
That's okay. But no, hey, this is me. I'm not AI either. Or am I AI? Ooh, ooh. I could be these days. You know, I see it's changed a lot these past few years. But no, this is me. I wanted to pop in here, be like, yo, what's up? Say what's up. I guess remind everybody this is me. That I'm the one active on my accounts, of course. What else to say here? I see a lot of the stuff out there. I'm just like, what the hell? What else? Oh, these are the accounts I'm showing, and my positions are mine. You know, it's like those are my positions. I'm not working with anybody else. I I mean, I'm not cool. I'm not working with hedge funds. Like it's like the same stuff as last time. So it's kind of interesting to see that stuff. So I'm like, all right, I gotta hop on a stream and just remind people, you know. And then what else? Like I'm not an institutional investor, you know. I'm not all this other stuff, and I am definitely not Paul Dano. All right. I don't know if you thought you were going to tune in today. It was going to be like Paul Dano on here, but I'm not Paul Dano. Okay. And actually, I got to be honest here. I still haven't seen that movie. I haven't seen. I've seen some clips. I've seen some clips, but I still haven't seen that movie. But no, I'm not Paul Dano. I'm not Paul Dano either. So I'm sorry to disappoint if that's what you were tuning in to see. Oh no, I'm causing it to go down. I need a button that, like, I press the button and it ejects me from this if the prices go down, or if I say something. Oh boy, just press the button and get me out. But it is what it is. What am I gonna do? So I just wanted to check in with you folks. Remind you all that stuff. Let you know that it's me. Say what's up. Let me see this chat here.
Meme reference, stupid Bitcoin. Love you, buddy. Keep them coming.
And so I mean, can I talk about GameStop? What can I say about GameStop? I mean, the funny thing is that I have a lot of the same feelings about everything. You know, it's you kind of. I mean, I've talked a lot about GameStop and how I feel about the situation and all that. And I thought I wanted to hop on and kind of reiterate a lot of my viewpoints that I had previously. I think, if you remember my previous thoughts on the company and the opportunity, there was kind of like a two-part thesis to it. And that second part of the thesis is a reinvention of the business model, or a transformation, whatever you want to call it. And I just, to remind people who, if you haven't seen my materials, that we're in that second part of it here, where it's less about, I see over the past couple of years, I see an overemphasis on like that legacy business, and it's just, there's no it matters. It's not that it doesn't matter, of course, but they're in the transformation stage here, and what could they transform into? You know what I mean? There's a lot of question marks about that, understandably so, but essentially it becomes at this stage of that second part of the analysis, this transformation part, it becomes a bet on the management, you know, in particular, of course, Ryan fucking Cohen. You know what I'm saying? Ryan Cohen and his crew. And that's what folks are should be focused on, you know what I mean? And that's probably going to be an ongoing debate as to how people feel about him, whether he can successfully transform that business. And those are great discussions. And those are good discussions that need to be had. And so when I look at the situation, when I'm kind of going to be echoing some of the thoughts that I had previously, is that I feel like I see enough where I believe this guy might be able to do it, right? That's not a guarantee. This is the same thing as before. I mean, I'm not promised anything, but over the long term here, I think he seems like the type of guy. He seems like he has those characteristics, and the way he approaches this seems like he might be able to do this. But again, that's not a guarantee. This is kind of like, it's kind of based on feel. You've heard me say that, right? And so I have that feeling. I have this feeling, and I'm like, all right, let me reiterate some of these feelings that I have. But it remains to be seen, you know. And you should keep your eye on stuff too. Reserve the right to change your mind about stuff, just like I do. Don't follow anyone blindly. Nothing on this stream is advice. Hopefully, you all know that, right? This is the same thing. But like when I have a feeling about that, it's like, all right, well, let me share it. I could be wrong about stuff, but I think, all right, let's talk about it. And I don't know. I think he has the characteristics to do this. In particular, I think we can all agree GameStop finds itself in a very unique situation, just like it did last time, right? Not just in the gaming space per se, but you have a company where you actually have so many people rooting for it, right? They're rooting for it to work out, myself included. How often does that happen? That folks like really want it to work out. And it's a highly unusual position, and it's so unusual. The way you manage that situation is you gotta manage it the right way. And honestly, the way he seems to be doing it, I think he's from a distance here, right? I have no idea, but I put myself in his shoes, and I think he's kind of seems to be taking the right approach, given this very unique situation that he finds himself, that the company finds itself in. You have a lot of investors kind of following what's happening, kind of wanting it to work out. You know what I say? That's very unusual. It's a very unusual situation, and I don't know if there's not too much precedent for it. You see it with some other companies. Especially when the CEOs or the managers are just so heavily investing themselves in the business, investing themselves in the turnaround. And there's some managers out there who who are somewhat similar. So I see it in Cohen. So that I think that he has the type of he seems to be doing the right things. And I know the question marks will be, well, what has he done? What is he doing? What's the plan? You know, those are fair questions. But you know, you really think he's been doing nothing, or that GameStop hasn't been strategizing, testing some things here and there, and how to move forward? I think that's pretty ridiculous. I think we've seen enough. In particular from him, to be honest, I think we've seen enough from him to think he's got a good head on his shoulders, and he's.
I don't know what it's
Again,
gonna do.
we haven't seen anything. It's speculation. You can argue that, but honestly, the way he seems to be handling this, and we don't know a plan, and that's fair.
Yeah.
But boy, you're right sizing the ship. You see, even the legacy business cutting costs, trying to stabilize some cash flows. You know, just try to stabilize the legacy business. But now it's all about the transformation, and that cash pile is growing. It seems to be growing. Will they raise more money? We'll see. I don't know. I mean, I see it, but I think if you just change one factor, and that's that you don't think Ryan Cohen is a doofus, all right? If you don't think he's a doofus and he's not a fool, if you don't think that, and all of a sudden, suddenly they're sitting on billions of dollars in cash, right? And you actually think not only is he not a doofus, but he's extremely talented in that he has the capability to turn this around. Even if you don't agree with that, right? Even if you don't believe it, that's fine. If you just pause for a moment and think about that, I think it really changes your mindset, and so that becomes the bet. That becomes the bet, and I don't know. This is it's going to be a debate. But as time passes, you'll see more. That's the thing. I think some people say, "Oh, a lot of time has passed. We ain't seen shit," and that's fair too. But again, I think because of the uniqueness of the situation, I think generally in this type of case, be like being quiet, working on stuff behind the scenes, and thinking about what you're going to do. Could be a good approach. That's not the end all be all, right? We'll see where it goes from there. But it's a good starting point. And I personally don't think 3 years is too long in this case. 5 years, 10 years, all right. Like, we all wait 5 years, 10 years, you know, and it's like, all right, we're going to be going into the pet rock business. Come on. Reserve the right to change your mind, just like I do. That's how you should approach this. But in this case, right, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. And it seems like people are quick to be like, oh, well, they haven't announced anything. The legacy business is struggling. Therefore, it's over. You know what I mean? I think that's just kind of silly just because I think it could be, it's just not proof of anything. Now, again, they start selling some pet rocks, you know? All right, okay, let's revisit this. But right now, there's some uncertainty about it, and it becomes a bet on the management. And you'll see, this is a thing in financial markets. It's unusual that it's a public company, but if you're dealing with like a venture capital opportunity or a startup company, this is often how it works, where you may have an idea, or you might have a management team that you believe on, and that tends to be what you'll focus on. And do they seem like they have the right skill set to pull it off? That's the focus. I mean, this is not unusual in financial markets generally. What may be unusual is that this is a public company, right? In that you have non-institutional investors. You have non-institutional investors who are like making the case for it. That's highly unusual, but it's not unusual in financial markets. It's a little bit different this time around, and so it's just an ongoing argument, discussion, and you won't really. No one knows for sure. I mean, especially me, right? You don't follow anything I do. You see all my disclaimers and stuff. Same thing. None of this is advice. I have an aggressive style. Blah blah blah. You know that stuff. But when you're dealing with these types of opportunities, right? I say it's unusual, but in financial, when you deal with these types of opportunities, you could lose it all. You could lose everything. They're highly speculative in nature. You should know that. These are very risky opportunities, and they are risky because there could be tremendous upside if it works out. But that's the balance, and that's why in those types of opportunities that I'm talking about, that's the trade-off. Big potential opportunities, or you could lose it all, and you kind of factor that into your analysis. And so it's the same thing here. So it becomes kind of a bet on the team. And from what I've seen so far, I think I reserve the right to change my mind, as you should too. I'm a believer right now. Let's see though. 3 years. Let's see what happens from here. But I think with a significant amount of capital, I don't know. I think let's see where it goes from here. But that's kind of a reiteration of a lot of stuff I said in my last stream. There was two parts of the thesis. In this part of the thesis, if you remember, I described at the time, I'm like, well, we can't even discuss this. It was like the bottom of that Word document that I had. I was like, well, let's discuss this when it comes. Well, it came. That kind of first part worked out, and now it's a discussion about this other stuff. So, I mean, I'm probably, you know me, I'm rambling now at this point. I'm probably, I'm just putting that stuff. But that's, I'm just reminding y'all that, you know, like that's, let's see where it goes from here. But hold on, did I pour? All right, you can't pour it all. Can I get that?
Down 10,000.
What's a drink? My buddy hooked me up. My buddy hooked me up with that. What's a drinking strategy, baby? What's your drinking strategy? Clearly. I mean, look at the impact on here. I mean, where's that button to eject me out of this? Cheers, everybody. Huh? What's your drinking strategy? Let's do this. All right. Yeah. What now, though? I mean, now what do we do? I mean, I kind of got some of that stuff out of the way. Should I do? What else? Let me get some. Oh, you see that stuff there. Do I show? It's frozen again. Can I? Let me chat. Can I do a portfolio review? I've never done that on the stream before. Can I do the portfolio reveal? Is that okay? I think I can. I don't think there's any issue with that. I can. Yes. I can do that. Can do that. Okay. Those YouTube rules, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me just check. Let me just make sure this is legit, hunky-dory. Oh, it's frozen right now. It's halted. I won't do it while it's halted. We'll wait till it's not halted.
He's so smart.
I think it's halted, right? Is my screen frozen? I think it's. Let's see if it starts moving again. It's helpful that it just moves without. I'll refresh the page. Oh, that's kind of nice. But I'll do that. I'll show you. These are the positions that there's just like last time. The positions that I posted. Those are my only positions. There's no other positions. There's no other folks I'm working with. You know what I mean? It's like pretty similar to last time. So I saw people saying that. I'm like, wow, no, those are my only positions. I mean, unless cash, just cash kind of position. Well, you see that. But that's it. Those are my only positions. So well, again, my aggressive style investing was almost certainly not suitable for y'all, right? I'll always say that. Risks are severe. You can lose everything. What I do is not a recommendation. You know that because I've said this all this time, you know? This is not... It's important to reiterate, though. It is. That's why I've been doing it in my stream previously, too. You got to know that. Educational, just not an investing process, but also the risks involved. So I'll do that. I'll just show you. But you see some of those headlines this week? I see some of the headlines y'all see. Oh, damn, some of the headlines. Whew. We probably all know about the same amount about this situation. You know what I mean? Based on that, like some of the headlines you see, I kind of see that stuff out there. I'm like, oh no. You know, or it reminds me of the Dark Knight. You post a couple of memes, you post a couple of screenshots, and everyone loses their mind. You know, it's like, no, man, chill. It's okay. So we're as far as some of that stuff goes, navigating that, doing my best to navigate that. Chat's crazy. Oh, happy birthday! Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the happy birthday wishes. Cheers, y'all. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Cheers, y'all. Is this an GameStop? Was this an early birthday gift from y'all? You know, the early birthday gift of early earnings announcements and an offering. I guess cheers. I guess you wrap it up in a gift or some shit. Oh, thank you, chat. All right. Yo, I can't. Oh, that's very. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. That's very nice of you. I kind of feel like I've been cosplaying as a streamer because I'm not used to having so many people on the air. And like I'm saying, yo, chat, what up, chat? I mean, we used to. I mean, cheers to all the folks. We've had some good times over the years, right? Cheers to my YouTube crew, of course, my fellow Redditors, even on X now. What up, X? Cheers to the X crew too. I mean, so many people on social media. It's pretty cool. I mean, like many of you know, you grew up. That's tears. You grew up on kind of the internet, right? You grew up with the internet, and I feel like a lot of us are in the same boat on that. I think that it's a little bit of a connection that not me, all of us, right? We all kind of have. It's a pretty unique generational type thing. But anyway, but I have on the streaming front, I've never had a ton of followers. Oh, you see how many people? Oh, damn, I didn't. Holy shit, 600K. What up? Oh, is that?
Halt it up.
Oh, yeah. I mean, is it time for a haircut, too? Oh, it's unhalted. It's unhalted.
No, it's halted again.
Okay. How do I do this? All right, let me just test something.
No,
is it? It's halted again.
It's halted.
Is it? Is it not halted?
It's halted.
I think it's halted. I think it's halted again. It's halted. Everyone, you're beating me to it. I'm going to show it. I'm going to show it. Don't. I'm going to show it. Halt. Don't make me. Don't make me. Halted.
Emotions are.
Well, I mean, this is at least I'm up to. I mean, no. At least I'm up to date on the stream. It's like a. I don't know how long you're supposed to have in between messages so that I can kind of read it. Like they did like 2 minutes this time, but I really don't know what's appropriate. But yeah, we gotta see what happens from here. We gotta see. But
it was a halt up on the dollar move.
All right, we'll see what it gets unhalted. What else? What other stuff to touch on here?
Completely halted, bro.
Chat, I get that. Just get some. Yo, shout out Brockton. I seen that. See, I'm gonna see like bits and pieces. I'm sorry. This is probably how streams usually work. This is shout out. Let's go. Let's go. I shout out to so many folks. You know, I've been talking about social media and friends and family. Shout out to so many people. I know for some folks it's been a while since we touched base, so this is an opportunity to say what up to everybody.
The biggest YouTube event, bro.
Damn.
Wow. Right now, like nothing else.
14th halt.
What else?
14 halts so far. Damn, Smoke, thank you.
Still halted? Let me just check again.
Yeah, dude, it's not gonna stop on halt. Yeah, it's still halted until I don't know, another 5 minutes, maybe.
I'm trying to keep an eye on the chat here.
The fucking chat is going too fast.
It's good beer. It's good beer. It helps. I mean, I don't want to take credit for the Celtics victory last night too. I mean, sorry if you're not a big basketball fan here, but I mean, the green helps. The green, drinking the green during a game, I think it does help. I think it does help. Halts are 5 minutes? Oh, I didn't even realize how long they were. Yeah, 600K.
Get a kitty mask.
I'm reading all this. Oh, not reading all of it. Just check it in. Give me some prompts. To roll it there. Oh, damn.
Are you serious? This could be
Still going.
Guys, can you hear the noise?
Can you
hear the stream?
I know. Well, this isn't really a traditional stream, I suppose, because a traditional stream we're kind of just shooting the shit, checking in on stuff.
Okay. Is the echo gone? YouTube.
The halts are due to the stream?
That's going to bring NVIDIA moving, Apple running.
Oh, movies. All right, let's go. Yeah, movies. Yeah, now we're talking. I mean, I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know probably a lot of people tuned in for different reasons. We're about to start talking about movies. Just random things. Yeah, I know. Well, you see. I hope y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed some of those memes. You know, you can see I worked a while on that, which is obviously extremely embarrassing, right? You think I don't know that? I know that, but I think it's kind of fun to work on it. I hope you think some of them are funny too. I think see that's the internet in me, right? Some of y'all know, like that's as a professional lurker.
Thanks, guys.
Now I get to share something like, all right, here's something that I worked on too. But you know, it's been like a lifetime of entertainment. It's been pretty cool to like, all right, let me share some of mine. Halted. Not just the memes, but kind of a lot of the stuff I do. It's fun.
Jimmy halted.
It's just it can be fun. Although I see some people, right? I'll work on the memes and they're like, oh yeah,
15,
when they were like, oh,
I'm
I'm not sure it's me, and they're like, oh, look at those low quality edits, and I'm just like, oh, I'm like, oh no. I mean, I'm not a professional video editor or anything like that, but oh, it hurts. It hurts. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best. So I'm always laughing at them. It's fine. I know they're not, but it's like Stab. I'm trying my best.
That shit gapped up to fucking 32.
Ooh. All right. It's unhalted. All right. Don't. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
All right, then fucking do it. Show it.
Don't try to do it. All right. Let me bring it over here. I think it's fine if I bring this over. Let me check.
Let's see it. Let
me refresh.
Hurry
we got
up,
it.
fool.
All right, I'm going to bring it over. Don't hold it. Don't hold it. There you go. All right, there you go. Is it on the chat there? There you go. All right. Cheers.
Let's fucking go. Let's see.
Cheers. I got it up there. So those are my only positions. You know, as you know about me, I'll take. It's a true YOLO again, I suppose. Depending on, I know there's some cash there. That's what I mean. It depends on your positions, but. It's another YOLO again. You know what I'm saying? It's how I roll. So that's that there. But I seen those headlines.
Bro, he held.
E-Trade. I see those headlines. I gotta check. I'm checking in every day. I'll log in. I'm like, are my positions still there? Are they still there? Let me check. They're still there. Wait, they're still there. Okay, they're still there. I wasn't even like paying attention to the details. They're still there. But each morning I'm like, I don't know what's happening. So I go, all right, well, don't make me, but E-Trade, I'll do this with HTML. I'll do that. Don't make me remove it. I know how to do that. I'm just kidding. No, I'm going to put it back. We're good. Those positions are there.
All right,
those positions are there. But I'll do it. I'll remove it. Don't make me. Don't make me do it.
I know, dude. You could.
Don't make me. I'll delete that from the HTML. I will. All right, Mr. Robot Hacker here. You know, I learned a thing or two, and I know how to delete that. I don't want to do it, but I can. I'm just messing, people. Okay, it's still. I put it back. No, but see, I see those headlines too. Y'all see them. I see them. We're like, what the hell? I mean, waking it up. You know that meme too, where the guy wakes up and it's like all green. And he's like, oh, he's squinting. He's like, oh, he's waking up looking. I feel like that's me in the morning some days. I'm waking up and I'm squinting. I'm seeing the stuff. I'm like, what? I'm like, what the hell did I do, man? So that's where we're at right now. Oh, did it go down? Oh, did it halt it again? Oh, it's halted. Well, that's where it was, right where that's where we're at the halt. See, I wait until the halt because if it's halted, it doesn't show the stuff. So it needs to be unhalted. I don't know why it does that. It just is. And so, yeah, there you go. That's where it is for now. That could go down. It's going down. In general, educational advice here in general, not specific to games. But remember, with all investments, okay, especially ones I'm involved in because they're inherently very risky, they go up, they go down. You can't explain that. They go up, they go down. You can't explain that. No, but you should be aware of the risks going into any position. But again, especially ones I deal in because they tend to be extremely volatile. I like to think that I have a good sense of my thesis, but I get stuff wrong. I have historically. I will again in the future. Could be. It's always important for you to understand that, and I have to understand that too. And so, but I get a feeling. If I have this feeling, I act on it, and that's I make that joke in one of my YouTube videos. It's based on feel, but it's like a confluence of factors, and the easiest way to just describe it is it's this feel that I have, and at the foundation in this case of my feeling, right, at the foundation of it is kind of that long-term outlook that this type of company has the prospects that it could work out well over the long term. In the short term, we'll see. But in the long term, like that's like the foundation of it. So it's like a collection of things, and but always risks. But honestly, I mean, you think it's a joke? I guess it's a little bit of a joke because that's based on feel. Whoa, let's see. Where's my? Do we do that? I mean, do we have questions to ask it?
Oh yeah, the 8 ball.
I mean, I'm not only. Oh, someone beat me to the 8 ball. I just saw your chat. So you beat me to it. I just reached for it. I just grabbed it, but y'all beat me to it. I don't know what to ask it though. I don't know what to ask. Can I ask an 8 ball? Can I? I feel like I can. I don't think that's problematic. What's the date today? The 7th? Oh, can I do charts? Oh, so wait. Oh, before I do the 8-ball. Oh, well, can I show a chart? Can I analyze a chart? I feel like I can analyze a chart. You know, it's not a science. Can I look at the chart a little bit? Here, I'm gonna move this over. It's halted anyway. Check out that chart though, huh? Can I do charts real quick? Can I do charts?
He's using stock
Y'all
charts.
might have seen this too, but wasn't that kind of funny? Wasn't that kind of funny? Like it comes down to like right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that line right there. It came down. Well, I don't feel like drawing it right now. I'm just going to use this as the draw. Like, you get that? Oh, I'll draw it. Whatever. Do I have a lawyer in the room? No, but maybe I should. And I should give them control of that button. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Don't say that. Don't eject him. Eject him. Where's that button that I can press? Sorry, I'm only going to catch some of these. I'm going to catch the ones that are going through there. Don't do it. I know. Does the 8-ball constitute advice?
He needs an Arca in the room for charting. He needs Arca in the room for charting.
I mean, you play.
That's right.
Look at that. Oh, you see that one? You know what color that one is. 'Cause
you're
you can't
right.
see it. Sorry, I'm jumping around here, but you know how my mind works. But was this one played today?
Still halted.
Did someone play that and I didn't see it? It feels like someone might have played that, and I was like, oh, I missed that. I missed that. But
oh shit,
there's always that. There's always that. Do I have any others? Oh, there's a couple. Those are the three. I feel like those are the three funniest ones, you know? All right, okay, wait. What was it? Oh, we'll do 8-ball. But hold on. Let me just get to the chart real quick. Wait, can I draw? Hold on. Let me see if I remember how to do this.
All right, let's see your drawing.
Oh,
buddy.
I do, right there. All right, look at that. Look at that, right at 10. Huh? Look at this. It's like jumping up and jumping down. And it was like right there. This is all a test. This is all a test. But you see that, and then you see I'm going to do another one right there. I don't know. It's not a size, but you see that. That's bull. That chart was just bullish. You know, I feel like most technical analysts would agree with that. That doesn't mean something's going to automatically do something. Of course not. Technical analysis is wrong all the time.
Yep.
But it can be an indication of something. Bullshit. So you see that. I mean, no, we used to do charts. We used to do charts back in the day. I think it can be fun. But anyway, I saw folks mentioning that. I had it open. I just wanted to check that out. But that's always fun. It's always fun to do. But you never know. It's always a test, educational. If it works, if it doesn't work, whatever. I always think that's funny. But all right, the 8-ball. 8-ball. First of all, I need to sip though.
Yeah, it's actually a bearish formation when it's formed on the upside like that. Right angle
Well, we
triangles.
need to figure out what we're gonna ask. Honestly, I don't know. Can you do? Oh, let me see. Toss out some questions. Toss out some questions as to what we might ask. Oh, it's going down more. Oh no!
Tony.
See, technical analysis. See, it's going down more now. See, that's how ineffective it can be at times. Right? You even pull up a chart sometimes. You even pull it up. Ugh, forget about it. Forget about it. Will we end green? All right, that's one. Exercising, that's one. Will Celtics win? That's a great one. A lot of good ones here. Damn, I don't know what the appropriate one is. Is today the day to do it? Is today the day to ask this something?
The vibrator on
it
his
does
phone
seem
had
like
lows.
that. Like there's a lot of moving parts right here.
Sub frequencies.
Huh. I don't know. Maybe today's not the day to do it. Should it be another day? I don't know. I don't know. It's down so much today. I don't know. I don't know about ending. Oh, now it's going fast again. I'll think about it. Because the question's got to be good. If all y'all remember, like the question is really, that's the important part. You got to get it. You got to get that question right. And I see a lot of good ideas here, but I'm not sure what might be best.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna table this. Literally gonna table it.
Oh my goodness.
For perhaps another time. I don't know. I need to think. I should have been thinking about what we might ask, but now I see so many different good options as to what the appropriate question could be. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yep.
Plus, I don't know if I don't know. I don't think 8 Ball constitutes advice, but let me double check. I want to double check on that just in case. Oh shit. No, do it now.
Okay, you're the targets that I was
Okay.
expecting just a little bit ago. Resistance at the exact zone and support from here. But this may not be it, team. It may not be it. We just got to watch out. Yeah, he's talking in fucking code. This guy, yeah. He's completely speaking in code.
Okay, let me think. Keep going, keep him coming. Oh, I want to ask something. I know we often focus on price action, which is understandable. Like, is there a plan? Could you ask like a fundamental one? Is there a plan?
I bet, Luke.
It seems like that's a hot debate. It's a hot debate. Maybe they've been doing nothing. You know, I think that's so fun. I think it's unlikely. But that doesn't mean whatever plan or whatever they're going to do is going to work out. Of course, right? That don't mean that. But anyway, so maybe that would be a different thing where it's usually price action. Ooh. So many good ones. I don't know.
Like, are you going to exercise your shares?
There's a nice easy one. What should we have for dinner?
Is that you, old dad?
We'll wait. I'm going to wait.
Are you showing us yourself?
We'll wait.
With blonde hair?
So we table it. At least we got the discussion going. We got the discussion going as to what the question should be. We got the discussion going. Plant some seeds.
No, daddy.
Let's think about it. Oh no. I'm not saying any of the right things. I'm saying all the wrong things right now. Where's that eject button? It might be time.
Uh-oh. Don't say shit like that, bro, if you don't mean it.
Am I okay? Oh, that would be am I okay? I don't know. I will say I'm probably not. I mean, I'm clearly I'm clearly cuckoo, you know?
Pratt their bottom.
Clearly, right? I'm off. That should be apparent now. I think even the 8 Ball would agree with that, right? But it's kind of fun. I think there's some other off people who feel like me.
Yeah.
Gives me a sense of comfort. Yes, y'all are off too. We're off together. You know, the crazy sticks together. Crazy sticks together in a way. Huh? Isn't there a sense of comfort in that? There is. I think, honestly, I joke, but I think there is.
All right, bottom support, just got it. It fails this, it's 25-25.
I think, let's see, well, watch this. I think, for now, we're going to end the stream.
Uh-oh.
I think we're going to end the stream now.
Okay.
Let's end it. Oh! Oh! Let's restart it. All right, let's restart. Let's restart it. Let's restart the stream. Oh man, what's it gonna do? All right. I just see it.
Bottom support is 25-25.
Oh no, he doesn't get shit. Oh no! Oh, he's legit crazy. Oh no! Oh, we thought he wasn't crazy. That's your bad for thinking I'm all there.
Down.
You know what I'm saying?
Halt it down.
Oh damn! That's your bad. I'm not. Is it halted? Oh, just saying that halted the stock. I'm sorry, but that's funny. I don't know. I think it is. I think it is.
Come on, bro, send it.
Well, all right, okay. If that's the case, I think we're gonna end the stream now. We're gonna end it now, and let's see what happens. I know we'll end it now. I'm gonna do one. Let's do one final cheers. Thank you everybody for coming.
Oh shit, he means it.
I mean, this is awesome. Boy, this is you're a real streamer when you're like talking to the chat like that. Oh, I have a lot of respect for. I'm I mean, the real streamers, day in, day out, grinding and stuff like that. Obviously, I already had a lot of respect, but now seeing this and even doing all this stuff yourself, holy, I mean, geez,
Yeah.
I know people who work with teams and stuff like that, and that's I get it, but just so much respect.
Yeah, it's tough.
But I'll cheers to y'all. I'll see y'all around. You know, I'll see y'all around. Thank you for popping in. I appreciate
confirmed
it.
more
It's
streams.
just, I mean, whether there's 0 people or a lot, I mean, you know, it's always it's nice to have folks hanging out. You can hang out in person. You can hang out online. You can just, a lot of us, I don't know, share thoughts and have a good time. And I think that's great. I think that's great.
He's got
Cheers,
time on
cheers
the
to
clock.
y'all for now. Cheers. This
is
I
showing
think I
that
got
he's
to chug
holding.
now. It's, like I said, it's 5 o'clock now, 6 o'clock somewhere now.
Plant some seeds. Key phrase.
Oh shit!
Indra in the money.
What's a drinking strategy, baby? I don't know. What's that? All right. Cheers to y'all. Thank you for coming by. We'll see what happens from here. I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know.
Actually, I forget how to end this though. For real, I'm not even joking. I think I just.
Press
I
that
think I'm gonna
stream.
press something there, and then no, I do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. All right. Cheers to y'all. I'll see y'all around. Happy Friday. Have a nice night. Have a good
I don't think
weekend.
so, Cal.
I'll see y'all around. Adios.
He said adios.
Oh,
What the fuck?
all right. For real. Peace.
All right. So let's go over the details here. Hold on. Let's go over some of those details. This guy, and also let me bring the volume up for the analysts right now. Just had to turn you guys down while that thing was going, guys. Just a sec. Let me get you up. Coin, you there?
Oh yeah, I'm here.
And options, you there, buddy?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm waiting for this to unhalt.
Same. I see you, chat. Chat, I got you volume up, and Smoke got your volume up.
What's up?
In case any of our other analysts want to come up, you're good to go. Hold on. Okay, so let's go over some of these fucking details, man. So he was speaking in code the entire time. Yeah, we can all agree that that's what he is, what he's fucking doing. Not only did he confirm further live streams, but he also had these little positive little trickles. Right, it's kind of like a breadcrumb. It felt like he was. I felt like he really meant to just display that the objective here is that he's holding. It's just that, right? It's just that he's holding. And looking at his position at minus $200 million is profound, to say the very least. Right? So
Here we go. We're about to unhalt.
yeah, it's about to unhalt. Let's take a look at the price action here. Let me bring in level 2 on this side. All right, here we go. All right, guys, 25.25 is in line. Yeah, so at this point, it feels like there's just a macro support in search, right? So did we get the 4-day close yesterday? We did.
We just halted again.
It just halted? Oh,
It halted up.
fuck, bro. There it is. Heads up, you guys. Heads up. This is we just bounced at 26.63. That's the fucking bounce of the 50% 4-day candle that we just opened and closed yesterday. Be very careful shorting at these points, because that could be your bottom side right now. You have confluence from this prior 4-day candle at the top wick, 26.66 in confluence with the bottom side of this current candle, 26.55 on that low, confluent to the 50% retrace of the prior bar 4-hour candle. Let's go ahead and draw it in just like this right here, right? So check out that 50% mark right here with these blue dots at 29.70, right? That is your 50% mark. We're right at the supports. We're right at the supports right now, guys. So be very careful because we are potentially going to bounce in these areas. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to. I'm just saying that there is a probability of getting it. The wick low. Sorry, the wick low is right about here. Right. Let's just make sure to kind of color this one a different color and identify that bottom side. Right. So we're going to do it like this. Freaking teal color, and do that box one more time. Sorry that there's a fucking mess in here, but I still kind of need some of these targets in a short time frame. Let me just get the clarity here from that 50% retrace of the prior 4-hour bar, and that's going to bring you down right there. Right there you go. That's located right about here, and the wick low is located right about down to the 2647. Yeah, guys, this is Heads up. If we turn the 50% into a resistance, we're getting a 90% retrace. But just know that you'll be hovering around these zones. Okay, so heads up on price action at this point. I will say that this 4-day candle is not a good looking candle, but it also has 4 days and 3 hours to close, so it's fucking an eternity away. Yeah, these motherfuckers are halting it up, dude. They're halting it at anytime that this thing goes. But something is telling me, bro, that again there's probably going to be a parabolic run in the after hours. And if there is one in the after hours, then we have to be fucking present and ready for some bullshit like that. And also, I'm thinking that it's just that same observation that we did yesterday, right? We were potentially talking about price action leading into the upside into the after hours because of the fact that you just simply don't have halts. Okay. But also remember, if you weren't here earlier, then, and you've heard me say this before, there's the second half to that where you also don't have stop losses, right? So shit can get a little wild during those after hours times. So please know that there are institutional block trades and stuff. Drive safe. Take care. That there are institutional block trades happening during that time. So we have to be super careful with how we practice in and out in financial markets during those hours. Okay. So block trades is what I mean is that actually large quantities of stock, institutional blocks, right, are trading. So that creates spikes and it creates really short-term volatility runs, and the runs are really limited to just buy here and sell here, and that's why you'll get the birth of a candle at one point, and then the birth of another candle at another point without any fluctuations. It's because retail is missing. A lot of retail is missing during those hours. In fact, a lot of retail doesn't even know that you can trade during those after-hour sessions. So we have to kind of keep our guards up and understand that there's a fucking serious risk when trading the financial markets after hours. Double X is saying Little Kitty should have done this midweek, not on a Friday. Agreed. Financial markets usually show red, but I gotta say, Nvidia and SPY, they're kind of far away from red. They've been doing pretty good. What's the plans for this live today? We're just going over the key facts, going over the potential supports, the support bottoms, going over the areas where you could find potential opportunities. I am not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any other stock, guys. But I will say that I think it's getting pretty close to the time where we can just go ahead and exit the stream here. I will be making another set of videos on this, so keep your eyes out. But I remember, team, I'm really here just to make sure that you guys are playing it safe, because there's man, shit gets wild. Shit gets wild out there. It's a fucking Wild West. Here we go. Let's see what price action does. Gap up. It went right to our resistance of 29.85. Let's see what it does. Remember, the 4-day retrace could be done, and this could just be there could be a V shape here. I'm not saying that it is going to happen. I'm just telling you that there's a probability there. But with the halts, that makes it really difficult. It's about the halts again.
Nah, it's not gonna. They're not gonna let it do nothing.
It's getting close. It's getting close.
It's gonna have to be after hours.
Yeah, I think he did it at the right time to show the stock can go down on news of him clarifying that this price action is not caused by him. There we fucking go. Lux giving us The absolute big brain read. Lux. Fucking love you. Okay? Yeah.
You hear me, dude?
I can hear you, buddy.
Okay.
Everybody can hear you. You are live. Actually, I could turn you up a little louder. You said that it would actually be part of the after hours instead? Like a run up?
They're not going to let it go until after. Yeah, they're not going to let it go right now. After hours, maybe our best shot.
Cryptic Trader pretty much saying that he doesn't think they're going to let it go until the after hours. I agree. It's just that's freeform, and a lot of fucking people just buy the dip, shit. That's what they end up doing. So I just want you guys to be careful while doing so, right? But yeah, so far the 4-day retrace proving correct. I'm not saying that the downside is here. I'm just saying that there could be a V-shaped recovery based on that simple fact. We got a 4-day closure yesterday, the 4-day open today. There typically is about a 44% to 50% pullback, above 68% of the time, around there. So if you are getting major time frame closures like that 4-day, let me just show it to you one more time, right? Let's block out the drawings here and take a look at that 4-day time frame. And yeah, once you start getting the closures of these major candles, this is your prior 4-day. We just opened up the new 4-day here. And look at price action, right? It actually opened up right at this 31.62, retraced to roughly 50% of this candle, right? The midpoint of that candle. And then we have that retracement here. Again, not saying that it's a bottom. And just saying that it could be a bottom. Although, and apparently here on the 4-day chart, it could be, it very well could be its local low. Okay, so if we're gonna use the local low on a 4-day time frame, then that's what we're gonna mark off. All right, you guys. Now, what about the stats, real quick? Let's pull up data cells and see what this has for an upside. So the current ATR for a 4-day is $8.37. We opened up at about $31. And ran to about 47.98. So it's actually way outside of its average true range, and in fact that's a good read for us. We're running times 2 standard deviations on or average true ranges on 4-day candles, daily candles, 5-minute candles. It's just kind of doubled everywhere. Hey Gabby, sorry, but that was uneventful. There was nothing in his voice to really excite people. What the fuck was that? So, Gabby, I think that it wasn't really to excite people. I think that what Lux Dove said earlier is absolutely correct. Check this out, right? So, Lux said, I think he did it at the right time, to show that the stock can go down on news and on news of him, right? So clarifying that the stock price action is not caused or it's not an eventuality based on his word, which was what Congress was kind of pushing onto him, right? That was kind of the narrative before. So I think this was a great move. He did say that kind of clarified in not so many clear words that there could be further and future streams. So we have that to kind of look out for too. The eventful thing is the fact that, okay, here it is. His options contracts, we have time, right? The fact is that there's time. Today is an expiry, right? The $20 contracts are going to expire in the money today if we keep it above 20, right? June 7th, $20 strikes expire in the money. So that's a good thing, right? The thing is that, remember, when we're experiencing closures and expiries on options contracts, price action is naturally going to dive down. And it's because they want to push them out of the money. Here's another thing. The 4-day close, and we're on the 5th day now. That happened, so a 50% retrace of the prior bar. So there's a lot of technical reasons and statistically proven reasons why the price is probably not going to continue to the upside. Now that I'm reading it from after what he's speaking of, and after having an awesome amount of intelligent people here and inside the trading team as well, expressing their opinions, the message becomes clear, and it became clear, I think, together. So Gucci Loud saying, I think he thought it was going to be different. I think he thought there was going to be momentum while he was live. I think so too. But he also didn't say things to really encourage that momentum. He himself, remember what we spoke about 2 days ago. I said that the price action would likely run up into the stream and then maybe we could see a sell-off. Or he's going to talk and it's going to fucking be sent to the moon. Two potentials. The one potential I gave was because the markets are forward thinking. They forward price, right? So if we think that we're going to get a rate cut and the Fed is like kind of in agreement of that, then the natural reaction for the markets to do is to run up to run up from one period of the Fed speaking into the next period where they're going to cut the rate. So we're price action on the S&P 500 and everything under the broader markets is going to continue to the upside because we're forward looking, because we just got the news and we're going to price in before it happens what that rate cut is going to look like. So when we do get the rate cut, and the thing is that when we get into that, we get the rate cut, price action actually doesn't fucking continue to the upside. It spikes up, creates a look above, price action sells off, and you're wondering why. Well, that's because, again, the markets are forward looking. And it really does show that the anticipation was kind of growing and growing and growing and growing into his live stream. The analyst inside of the Arca Bulls trading room options, he said it would be just like it happened for Elon Musk when he spoke about Doge. Doge took a shit when he spoke about it. 2021, I think it was. Right? Yep. It popped open. I mean, right? What date? It was 2021 options?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So price action ran into that interview, and then price collapsed. That's pretty damn good. Yeah, exactly. Double X the same peeps have contracts today. Today the June 7th 20 expiries the June 7th expiries 20 strikes close today. They expire. Yeah, and still they're in the money by almost $9. Price action is still happening right now. It's just hovering. There's and also remember, right? It's just Fridays are usually not the best thing. It would have been amazing if it did close green, but it's going to be more amazing if this thing closes green after hours. So if it closes green after hours, there's going to be a shift in sentiment for sure. Yeah, don't fight the trend. The trend, says Gray Man. Double X is saying he did not come on to show that he comes on the prices that can drop too. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, think about that. It makes zero sense. I don't think that he was there just for the. He might have thought otherwise. He might have thought that the price action could continue to the upside, but I do think that it was more for what Lux said. I have to agree with him wholeheartedly on that. I do think that because that was his. They were accusing him of that because of every single time that he spoke about it, the stock ran. So I think it was a great opportunity for the stock to drop on his word. So now retail gets the benefit of having Roaring Kitty during this term, because he said it at the beginning. He said that it's kind of mimicking the same situations that happened before, and we even said that. And then somebody said except no COVID. Right? So yeah, the situation is it's rhyming. It is similar. Okay, you guys. So I don't want you to get your hopes up or don't want you to get your hopes down. Price actions right now trying to reclaim the $30 level. Still on that idea that the 4-day retrace could have been done. Right? Let's just see. Let's be patient with price. It looks like it's about to. It's funny because every single time it ticks up, there is a potential halt coming in. It's getting bottlenecked again. Okay, so just watch out, and keep your eyes open. Definitely keep your eyes open into the close for today, because man, I wouldn't doubt for a single second. I mean, every influencer is talking about that. Every influencer is speaking about the fact that price runs in the after hours. So that's why I'm saying, if you do have some positions, if you have risk on shares specifically, right, that is really where I want you to watch your price, right? So just keep an eye on your price on shares, because you can do something about it in the after hours. You can't do anything about your options contracts held after market close. So you're going to be susceptible to market volatility afterward without any actionable buttons. Okay, those buttons are going to be completely grayed out. You're not going to be able to realize any gains or any losses on the options contracts, which is why I sometimes oppose holding long, option contracts overnight. But lately, there has been an influx of overnight holds coming in from me personally, as I am learning an incredible strategy from one of the analysts inside of the Arca Bulls trading team. His name is Options, literally. So, and the other guys too, man. There's a fair bit of knowledge here. Okay, you guys. So, please remember, team. Please remember. I'm gonna start getting ready to tune out here. So I want you to make sure to take advantage of the lifeline, right? Join for life, the Arca Bulls trading team. Make sure to get yourself in the team. We're gonna be observing price action every single day, just the way that you did with me today, except without the live stream, right? I genuinely want to make sure that you can at least have a group. Whether it doesn't matter who it is, it doesn't have to be me. I don't give a fuck. Make sure that you just choose someone and forward test them, right? Are the targets okay? Are they expressing good information, right? Is it educational in the first place, right? Whatever it may be, just make sure that you choose well, and everything will be okay. So make sure to take your screen, right? Hover over that thing right there, and come on by the Arca Bulls trading team, and everything else will be okay. But I appreciate everybody for coming on out. Please do me a favor on your way out. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive, guys. I love you. I love you all, and I will catch you later on today for sure. All right, so there we go. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your night and or day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios. Dude, your boy's not even trying. He's getting 644 people on the stream. I still don't feel okay, man. I still don't feel okay. Fuck. It was a fucking terrible night last night, dude. I rested enough. Dude, no, I actually just had a fucking... I had it next to me, but I honestly just drank Gatorade, and that was awesome. Dude, but yeah, I gotta say, man.